get up, I get down, and I'm jumping around. And the rumpus and ruckus are comfortable now. Been a hell of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to grow. So I got an apartment across from the park. Put quinoa in my fridge, still I'm not feeling grown. Been a hell of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to go.
Here we go.
So put your best face on, everybody pretend you know this song. Everybody come hang, let's go out with a bang. I'm way too young to lie here forever. I'm way too old to try, so whatever, come hang, let's go out with a bang. Feel like I'm gonna puke, cause my taxes are due. Do my password begin with a 1 or a 2? Been a hell of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to grow.
Metronome.
Man, I'm up to something. Ooh-dee-la-dee-do, thank you all for coming.
Whoa. Whoa, Otter. Howdy, how are you doing today? Welcome. How have you been? And you know this song, everybody come hang. Let's go out with a bang. Hello, EMG. Howdy, how are you doing today? Welcome. How have you been doing? I'm just quickly setting up the audio and video for this stream. Give me half a second. Let's make sure it's all good. Put your hands up, everybody. Okay, I'm well, thanks for asking. I'm glad both of y'all are doing, I mean, to varying levels of well to okay. Hello, and Gecko, howdy, how are you doing today? How have you been? Alright, let me get this shenanigans going. Welcome everyone. How have y'all been doing today? I am out here absolutely words cannot describe what I'm doing right now. I mean, it is just the early evening right now, so you know, I'm getting here right on time during my schedule, so we're here, you know. How are y'all doing? But oh my god, I already asked that. You guys have already answered, and don't worry, I'm perfectly within my mind right now. Everything's good. Doing okay? Might be heading to bed soon, lol. Oh fuck yeah! Oh my god, Gecko, you're heading to bed pretty early. My goodness. All right, let me just like do this. Yes, gaming. All right. And Ruffles, hello, howdy, how are you doing today? Welcome. How have you been? So, I left off with doing a bunch of things, trying to like set up some silly shenanigans for the stream and stuff. Went through a lot of redstone, set up some automatic what's it called? Dust things and a bunch more crucibles. So, I'm starting off here with a little bit more energy because I've literally been AFKing for like, I want to say like 6 hours in here to get the resources needed. So I'm going to get straight to continuing with Minecraft because I fucking need this. Literally lore right now. But yeah, what have you guys been up to in the past day or two or so? I've just been like, I've literally been doing so much fucking WoW that I have no idea what on earth is even going on anymore. Life is like a pile of socks, I guess. And I don't know, I'm literally just out here wearing them, washing them, and just rinse, repeat, right? Just how it goes. Uh, Here. There we go. But yeah, what you guys been? Oh, I need to not be asking the same question over and over and over again, in hopes that the answer to the question changes, because I'm literally not even sure how things are going. So just now, before starting the stream, I noticed in chat it literally mentioned that Veinminer has a keybind. There's Veinminer in this. So I'm thinking, I'm just going to quickly test this, because probably pretty lore accurate if I just test it. Hello, Kremlin. Hi, Stinky. Howdy, howdy. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. What you been up to? Can I just get this tree to grow? All right. That is so much easier. Oh my lord. I guess the problem with using Veinminer for that is that I can't chop down the tree normally, but it happens. Like, that's it's pretty easy, actually, relatively speaking. Hello there, Princess. How's the beautiful fox doing today? I'm doing really well, Fiji. How's your early evening going right now? How are you, Volpe? Oh yeah, that's a good question to answer. Yeah, I'm doing pretty well myself. I mean, it's only what, 9 p.m. right now? It's not too bad. Just kind of like trying to exist in whatever state as I possibly can. And we're kind of just building off of that, you know? That's just where I'm at mentally, physically, emotionally. That's where we are. 9 p.m. Well, yeah, it's 9 p.m. Like, look at the clock. You'll find if you look at the clock right now, it is literally 9 p.m. Okay, like, you have no idea. All right, so it looks like I need a tool rod and a tough tool rod. It's 9 p.m. somewhere, exactly. You feel the vibe, you get it. Oh my gosh. Having to tell people what time vibe we are, like, that's crazy. Tough binding? Oops. Well, I guess I can toss this stone shard over here and stone binding there. There we go. I will need a rod, a tough rod, and a cleaver cast. So we're going to get a tough rod, a rod. Okay. And I need a cleaver head, which I think is a large blade. Cleaver cast. I don't know if that's a large blade or not. Wait, is that a large blade? I can't tell. I think it's a large blade. Knife blade. Yeah, I think it's a large blade. Is this Tinker's Construct? It is, Fiji. Oh my god, it's been so much since I've done this. But yeah, it's going good. Just catching up some audiobooks. Saw you're streaming, so if you're stop by and see how you're doing. Oh my god, Fiji, I am doing so well right now. What audiobooks are you listening to though? Okay, that's very important knowledge for me. Okay. I would also like a crossbow body cast and a crossbow limb cast. So crossbow body is that bad boy. And then crossbow limb. It's fletching. Is it a bow? It's probably a bow limb, right? You'd have to assume it's a bow limb. There we go. Oh, that's not. It's not the right limb. Crossbow limb. There it is. Crossbow limb. There we go. All right. So I'm going to toss this bone limb and the shards, and then I've got all of the things I need here. So aluminium brass right here. Stick my ingot cast back here. And stick that in there. How do I make aluminium brass again? It's 1 copper to 3 aluminium. Okay. So we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 to 12. There we go. And there we go. Alfine, hello, howdy, how are you doing today? Um, Hi, sweetie. Hello, Bebop. Howdy, howdy, how are you? Let me get you a shout out real quick. At Bebop the Terrible. And wait, yeah, it's serious. Yes, Volpe's actually on a remote uninhabited island in the Pacific right now. You can't tell them about how rich I am to have a private island in the middle of the Pacific that I clearly own, and I have to have all the vibes of it. Yep. Impossible. Oh, I already had a tough rod. Well, goodbye. Tool binding, and I already have a tough binding, so I can get rid of that. I guess I'll put the tool binding in here. I love this mod. Yes. But sorry. It's called FM Radio. It's got hundreds of, I think, thousands of stories. Currently listening through my vampire system, Birth of a Demon Blade and Supreme Lord. Ooh, that sounds really cool. Also, Alfie, my prince, how are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. Are you on your way to come play some Minecraft with me, Alfie? Do you wanna play Minecraft with me? That's a cleaver cast, crossbow body, crossbow limb. Oh fuck. I'm literally not real right now. Okay, so we'll put that in there. There we go. Excellent. I'm on my way under your desk. Yeah. Oh my god, Alfim, under my desk. Wow. That's actually kind of cute, Alfim. You should be here already, okay? Thank you very much. But Alfim, would you like to play some Minecraft? Wouldn't it be so fun if Alfim came and played Minecraft? That's wild. Make a knapsack. Iron tough rods. I need leather. I don't have leather. Everyone's playing Minecraft again? Yeah, I'm playing Minecraft. You want to come play Minecraft? Wouldn't that be so awesome if you, my prince, came and played Minecraft? Wow. I mean, I would, but I need to worky soon. Oh, yeah, that's fair. How much time do you spend working each day, by the way, Alteam? And okay. Okay, are you calling me a nerd right now? Excuse me? Okay, that copper should melt in a second. And when the copper melts, we should have aluminium brass. There it is. There we go. Around 3 hours midday and 3 hours in the evening. Ooh, okay, gotcha. Where do you tend to like get the most money vibes? Oh, unstoppable. All right, time to gather some iron. Stay to bed, have a good stream. Oh my god. Yeah, absolutely. Doc, you have a good day as well, right? Or good night, sorry, good sleep. Sleeping is important, you know? Yeah. Oh my god. Depends on the day, to be honest. Oh, fair. Oh my god, never being the nerd dork dweeb allegations. Excuse me, Duganite, you're the only one who's not going to beat these allegations, okay? Actually, Doc might not as well, but you know what happens. So, yeah, yeah, sleep. You know the thing that good wolves do. You know, iron goes in there. I should move my powdered ores over the powdered chest. Put the pebbles up here. I guess this is just excess right now. Move these over. That looks about right, I think. I can move this up here for now just because it's some random excess thing, but I don't know. Have a good night of not sleeping, okay? Doc, is that better? Like, is that how things work? I don't know. Piss? Alfim, are you... Oh my god, you're being such a piss kitty right now. That's fucking crazy. What a nerd. Still thinking about the idea you told me about? What, you want to be silly little shocked and uh words are hard. Chess? Oh my lord. Put that in there, that in there. Good. That goes in there. Glowstone goes in there. Okay, cool. Bone meal and gunpowder. Where do those ones go? And coal. Coal goes in here. Gunpowder goes in here. Bone meal in here. Cool. There we go. I think it'll be funny. Okay. Maybe your idea of comedy is different from mine, but I feel like the comedy that comes from silly electricity during chess um isn't as silly as one might assume. By the way, is this like looking full? I can't even see. Oh, this is a great move. And socked. Oh my god. Opie, lovely fox. Hello, fire. Howdy, howdy. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. What have you been up to? It is taking so long to get all this iron out. Oh my god. Should it be a plug instead of a shot? Yeah, actually, Koki, inverse of that, okay? Inverse. Okay, wait. I'm following through on this, all right? So what happens if instead of being a bad move and being shocked, if it's a really good move, you hook it up to like the Lovense like API or some shit. Think about it. It's insanely powerful. I haven't played Tinker's Construct mod in a while. Oh my god, it is such a good mod. It's so silly and it kind of just like it just works, you know? It does the thing that needs to get done. Maybe, yeah. Better get to bed, have fun mining and crafting or whatever dweebs do. Excuse me, you're the dingus out here. What are you fucking doing right now? Like, you're fucking dingus, bro. Like, what are you doing? Oh, I'm me a dweeb. All bottoms in here, shaking my head. I mean, Poki's here, yeah. Gunther's here. Alfim, you're here. Actually, no, Alfim. You know, Alfim, you're like some meta bottom, you know? Like, not even a bottom, you know? It's crazy. 500 ingots of iron. Oh my god. How am I gonna run through all this iron? It's so long. I'm getting 18 out at a time. I think it's safe to put this gravel in, possibly. Wait, what machine? What's that? What's 11? Yeah, what is that? Fiji, that's crazy, right? Imagine. Imagine making imagine the vibe of making a brilliant move. And all of a sudden, just being like given all of the amazing feedback, you know? Blood Moon is rising. Still small enough platform. I think we're fine. Legitimately don't know what that is. Fiji, there's no way you don't know what that is. That's crazy. It's something I shouldn't be talking about on Twitch because I really couldn't be talking about on Twitch. Just you wait until I meet URL and wearing a mask and I'm very drunk and I show you how dom I am. Oh, Salfim, you need a mask to show me how dominant you are. Okay. That's cool. Well, Alfim, you know, just wait until we're hanging out. We're not drinking. We're just having a chill time and just relaxing. Maybe watching some anime or something. Think about that, Elphine, okay? Yeah, I'm alpha like that. Oh my god. But think about that time we're watching anime, Elphine, okay? That's what we're looking for right now. There we go. That doesn't count? Yeah, it doesn't. That's crazy. So, like, us watching anime wouldn't be crazy. One time I had like 200 mods on Minecraft 112. It stopped functioning. Nickname was 0.0001 instead of 20 or whatever that thing is, which means nothing would happen in mod worlds, which is an F. Oh my god. Let's see. /co fhtps. I mean, let's say we're getting 20 ticks per second. But tick 6.04 ms. Okay. We should be fine here. I think this is good. Such an alpha Alpheme. Alpheme is an alpha. That's why their name starts with Alf. Because it's alpha Alpheme, you know? Alpha's such a strict dom top. So real, actually. Oh my god. You guys get it. You guys get Alpheme's appeal, you know? That's so real. Crossbow limb here. There we go. All right, what can I work on? So I need to make a survivalist generator. Survivalist generator is piston, iron, furnace, cobblestone, redstone. I've got that. Oh, fuck. That's 3 of that. I have enough cobblestone. I think I have enough wood. All right, let me just get my wood here. Wait. Pistons like this. Wood plate. Stone. The iron's in the middle. I know. I'm just dumb. There we go. So that's a piston. Then we get a furnace. And there's a survival generator. I'll add this to my other generators, but like nothing's going to be as good as my current generator setup. Whatever. This just generate a little bit, you know, just for some time. Jarvis, I'm clearly an alpha. Listen, Jarvis, I'm a bigger alpha than Shram. Thank you very much for agreeing. Thank you very much, Jarvis. Shram, you getting on Minecraft right now? I know what actual tick time is. I've gotten the numbers wrong. Longer tick times means longer instead of shorter. Yeah, so the vibe of it is the server is like most Minecraft servers are set to be trying to get 20 ticks per second. And wow. One second, I want to check what this person said. Oh my god, they're doing that's crazy. That's insane. So the tick rate that a server's like looking for is around 20 ticks per second. The vibe of it is the second number tells you how many seconds it takes for a tick. I don't know why they capitalize Milla, but I'm for Milla, but the vibe of it is that one tick is taking about 7.33 milliseconds. If you take 1 second and divide by 20, which should be about 50 ms, if that number on the right is larger than 50 ms, then this left number will start decreasing. So you want to keep that left number at 20, which means the right number needs to stay below 50 ms. Hi, Lucky. Howdy, howdy, how are you? Welcome, welcome. How have you been doing? Okay. I'm gonna see which of these crops grows faster in order to replace them. So the vibe of the matter for these crops right here is this I've been doing a little bit of growth cycles where depending on which one grows fastest, that is the one that stays in the cycle. We're currently getting 2 wheat per mutation, or sorry, per crop. But I want to try and mutate the wheat intake to increase. So we'll have to see how that goes. Gibson single player server must be stupidly low. I mean, it's always going to be dependent on what machines you have in the world. Like, this isn't a single player server. This is multiplayer. I'm just, you know, alone right now. I can't. I'm diamond 1, gold 2. Oh, are you gold 2 in Rivals, right? Oh, so I meant when I was starting Minecraft 1.12. Oh, yeah. I guess that's gonna be based on like computer resources then at that point. All right, well, that's the survivalist generator done. An iron furnace. I think I remember how to make that. Should be a furnace in the middle. It might be iron surrounding a furnace. There it is. And to make a gold furnace, I guess it's going to be gold. I don't have gold yet coming out of here, so I'll just finish getting my iron through. Gold 1, because I'm like that? Oh my god, really, Shram? Wow, that is so desirable in someone. Like, think about it. Think about how cute that is to have. Alright, so I need 24 string for this. I'm gonna need a piston and a tool station. A tool station should be a crafting table and a blank pattern. So we'll do that and that. Get the blank patterns. Crafting table. This should make a tool station. Good. Hopper, I'm gonna need more wood for. And we're gonna go in here. We're gonna create a chest. Chest is gonna go here. This is gonna be a hopper. Good. And a piston we already know is gonna take 1 redstone. Damn, Volpe. Listen, okay? Just because Corky took off my clothes doesn't mean it's kind of cute. Okay, I'm kind of cute, but it's fine. Okay, you know what happens. But Lucky, how are you doing today? I believe it's 0.4 per 1.19. Oh, gotcha. I can't go past, what is it? I can't go past 1.7.10. This is the most Minecraft I know. And it's the version I have the most fun playing. But if I was to try and play another version other than that, I feel like I wouldn't be comfortable anymore. Like, I feel like I feel really awkward, really unfortunate. I guess it don't need that there. So Levy, oh my god, are you heading to bed soon? Lucky? Also, well, puppy raid? Puppy raid. You're calling yourself a puppy? You're a fucking bitch, okay? Wolf, you're a cunt, alright? Respectfully, of course. Wolf, how are you doing right now? How's your stream? What were you up to today? True? Yeah, I know it's true. I know you, I get you. Oh fuck, I need to get this quest completed. There we go. And now I can place that down. Hi, yeah, hi, hello, howdy. So all y'all people joining in from Wolf Stream, howdy, I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today, saying wholesome with an S to Riz. Thank you guys so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? Oh my god, Alex, Miss It, Falaf plus Biker. Oh my god, and Wolf, yeah, hi. Welcome back, you guys. How are y'all doing today? And so, Kitty rate? Oh wait, wrong message? Okay, well... Oh my god, kitty. Sochi. Oh my god, Sochi. Oh my god, Sochi. Soft kitty. Oh my god. But yeah, also Wolfie Boy. Ooh, Sky Factory. This is Project Ozone, actually. A little bit different from Sky Factory, but it's got a lot of the same mods, so it's actually super hype. But Wolfie Boy, welcome. This is your first time chatting. Howdy. I'm Wolfie, and we're here having a chill old time today, saying wholesome with an S to Risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? The cat agent. Oh, God, of course. But yeah, no, I come up right out of the gates with this at Wolf because Wolf is so... Wolf is so dog, okay? They're literally dog, okay? Respectfully, they're dog, okay? But, you know, it happens. The cat agenda? Yeah, don't worry. The cat agenda is... Alright, listen, okay. I accept taking L's for the cat oligarchy right now, okay? Because Sochi is peak cat right now. On God, Alfim is even peak-er. My prince is literally the most cat that a cat could possibly have cat. So you guys got it. Also, Thomas, hello, howdy. How was your time with Wolf? Also, Alloy, welcome. How are you? Wolf is drooling fur? Well, yeah, but like, you know, that's just Wolf, you know? Them and their silly little fur? I do not have leather. I cannot do that. Oh, so you called them dog. I see how it is. Yeah, I call you Lucky. Because Lucky, listen, okay. Can I get an exclamation point Lucky in chat real quick from any VIPs or mods or anything? You know what? I'm also gonna go VIP. There we go. You're gonna say submissive, but dog works too. Okay, yeah, that is true. I mean, they are submissive, but the problem with calling one person submissive here is that almost everyone here is submissive at the moment. Alfim already pointed that out, right? So calling Wolf submissive isn't something to separate them out. They're simply dog. To be fair, Alex is also dog, so I guess there isn't that much differentiation there either, but what can you do? Try my best to be peak cat. Real! Oh God. Yeah, don't worry, Lucky. But yeah, guys, Lucky's a good boy. Such a soft, fluffy, good little boy. Aren't you lucky? Oh my God. For fuck's sake. Yeah, don't worry. Also, 5D Nikita, sorry. Unfortunately, we don't use many Cyrillic texts around here. We are mainly trying to stick towards English, French, and German, depending on those types of languages you can speak. Although I don't really know much German, it's like there's enough people around here that you get some good conversation out there. Yeah, I'm not subby. Okay, Bebop, you know, yeah, I guess that's fair, you know, I guess it's fair. But there are a lot of people here who are subby. An extreme majority, actually, you know. Yeah. Imagine me submissive. L couldn't be me. All right, Shram, you know, but Shram, you are literally Homelander and you are literally a hero. So like, what can you do, right? Thanks so much, Alex. What kind of vibes were they talking about there? What was that about? That was short-lived? Were they trying to do some troll shit or something? What a nerd. It's only true 60 to 8% of the time? That's crazy. Oh, they were? Oh, whatever. It happens. By the way, guys, I'm going to tell y'all something right now. Shram has begun their journey towards becoming a sushi enjoyer. It's going to take a few more times trying sushi before Shram gets there, but Shram is well on their way, okay? Trust me. Said hello, blah, blah. I told them English only. They responded, don't give a fuck. What a gamer, bro. Nah, dude's got a vibe. Was about to hit the nuke button. It would have been cool if you did, though. Think about it. Guess I could get more iron out here. I do have a lot of iron. It's iron, and that's iron. Take that iron. There we go. I call him a dick, but I like dick, so that's fair. Oh my God. That is crazy. Those words came out of your mouth, and like, that is insane. Holy shit. But yeah, Wolf, what were you up to on your stream today? Today's middle of the week, so it couldn't have been Kink Night, right? What were you up to on stream today? Kink on Mask. Wasn't Kink Night? Wait, is your Kink Night Tuesday? There's no way. There's no way Kink Night is Tuesday, right? Wait, what? If a roll stream, Wolfgang stream is pretty hinged for me. Oh my lord. By the way, if I miss any messages from like literally anywhere from 20 seconds to a minute ago, I apologize. If there's something you're trying to tell me, resend it. Don't worry. I am completely fine to read it. I'm just, I'm hardcore trying to empty out the smelter, and it's a lot of work, you know. Tuesdays, baby. Wednesday for the East Coast. That's fair. I mean, to be fair, it's how long is the stream going on? 35 minutes. It's only 9:30 right now, so like, it's fine. You know, we're doing okay. Everything's fine. Just the fox, not the smart. Listen, Alfie. Okay, you hit the nail right on the head right there. That's crazy. It's midnight. No, it's only 9:30. Trust me, Lucky. It's 9:30. We're in the same time zone. It's 9:30. Okay, Lucky. It's 9:30 p.m. It's no, Lucky. Trust me, it's 9:30. Clocks went back tonight. Exactly. They went back. About 5.5 hours. Okay. What time zone are you in? Listen, Shram. The clocks went back 5.5 hours tonight. Okay. It's 9:30. You can't tell me otherwise. All right. It has to be 9:30. If it's not 9:30, then reality isn't real. Nothing exists. Everything is fake. Alex, come on. It's 9:30, okay? First I'm hearing of it. Come on, Shram. Think about how cool it is to be at 9:30 right now. Also, Natsu, this is your first time chatting. Welcome from Wolf. How are you doing today? I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today, saying wholesome with an S to Risk. Thank you all so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Here, listen, okay. If it wasn't 9:30 right now, Nova. Hi, Nova. Oh my god, Nova. How are you doing today? Listen, if it wasn't 9:30 right now, I would have started my stream late. And we're starting my stream on time because I am a really good streamer and I have a perfect control over time, you know? Eathy, how are you? I'm doing pretty well, honestly, Nova. Nova. Okay. Okay, guys, predictions in chat. How long do you think Nova is going to sleep tonight? Okay. Now, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of information, okay? Nova has slept somewhere between 1 and 6 hours each day this week, okay? What do you guys think? At least 3. Okay, Lucky. All right. I'm watching you down for 3 hours there, okay, Lucky? 3:49. Ooh, that's pretty specific. I'm so sad. Listen, Nova. You are a professional gamer, but then again, nighttime is your era, okay? 4 hours, okay. Nazi, that's a pretty big estimate there. Fell asleep with my eyes open at work. Oh my god, Nova. Are you okay? People sleep more than 3 hours at a time? I slept for... Nova, what time did we get off last night? Do you remember? I don't know. Because I woke up at... I definitely woke up at 5 p.m. But I don't know what time we went to bed last night. Or at least got off last night. Perhaps not getting to bed for you. I'm gonna make a chicken quesadilla. Lucky, can you please send me a picture of your chicken quesadilla? Thank you. It's for research. Okay? As a cat, I need my 16 hours of sleep a day. Okay, so Alfine, so you do 16 hours of sleep in a day, plus your 3 hours of work at lunch, 3 hours of work in the evening. That leaves 2 hours for fun time, right, Alfine? For playtime? Oh, waking up at 2:30 was late? Listen, okay? I hope you understand that I have been trying my damnedest to be working at the right time of night. And it's really hard. Got a fucking Taco Bell ad, and now I'm hungry. Oh my god, Taco Bell sounds pretty good about now, honestly. Seems like it'd be a pretty nice vibe. Okay, so does gold mix with iron? Let's see. Okay, alloys with silver, that's it. Okay, cool. I can make gold right now. Powdered gold. Get like 28 of this. Good. And get that crushed gold. All right, cool. I need a little bit of gold, so I might as well get that going. There we go. Let's get Taco Bell together. Oh my god, you want to get Taco Bell together? Sochi, yeah, that's so real. Or are you going with Wolfie though? Wait, Sochi, wait a second. Taco Bell should be open since it's 9:30. Yeah, Taco Bell's actually open until I think it's here. Let me quickly check. I think it's 3 a.m. 1 second. I think it's 3 a.m. I might be wrong though. Let's see. Yeah, 3 a.m. Well, no, it's fine because it's only 9:40 right now. Hours are 4 a.m. Sochi, what? Oh my lord. This sounds kind of mellow, honestly, though. Just like going out to get some Taco Bell at 4 a.m. And good night, Alex. Wait, Alex, you're going? Oh, Gecko's going. Oh, Gecko, have a good night. Rest well. Stay safe and enjoy yourself. I'll see you around soon, Gecko. Also, Destiny, welcome back to the new channel. Yo, Destiny, how are you doing today, my dude? Wait, shit, the homeowner's gonna be up at Comic-Con? I'm gonna have to pull up. Wait, at Comic-Con like Toronto or something? Or which Comic-Con are we talking? Like Niagara? Like which Comic-Con are we talking? Natsu, hello, howdy, how are you doing today? They reopen at 6, so I can wait 2 hours if needed. That's pretty reasonable. That's fair. Oh my god, Sochi, yeah, we can go. What happened? Well, you know, sometimes when one person streams for a really long time and Twitch says, haha, you could be partner, but actually you made your account 11 years ago when you weren't allowed to make an account, even though you made an account under different terms of service. We zero banned, okay? Get out. And then I was a very sad fox for a bit. And oh my god. Oh, wow, that's crazy. I guess we're going. Yeah. Toronto Comic Con? Wait, Shram, when is that? Wait, should I plan to go to Comic Con? Talk about close at 4. McDonald's opens at 4. Perfect. Oh my god, that's actually crazy. Yeah, talk about the main McDonald's sides. I'm just sitting here thinking about you guys talking about all this fast food and stuff. I would rather just go to an actual sit-in restaurant than go to a fast food restaurant because it's the same price. It's literally possibly even more expensive to go to get fast food than go get like a nice like quarter chicken or something, you know? So much progress. I know, Rocket. It's crazy. Oh my god. Rocket, how are you doing today? Welcome. I mean, most of the progress here has been AFKing because I now have infinite resources to get infinite resources, but yeah. Remember watching you with barely 10 viewers? Oh my god, it was years ago. And by years ago, I mean 2 years. Yes, that's multiple years actually. There are still only 10 viewers. All these chatters are just me and other accounts. Oh, true. Yeah, that's actually everyone here is actually just Sochi if you think about it. Yeah, that's fair. Sochi's also talking to themselves as well, and replying to themselves, talking about McDonald's and Taco Bell all the time right now. Yeah. I think I'd spontaneously just go to get a pic with Anthony Starr. Real, but like, you know, like Tram, like what if you and I went spontaneously together, okay? And then like if we got bored, you know, we just leave, you know? Insane. Burn it all down, yeah, we'll burn it all down. My, oh my, look at the... Oh, I can't even. Going to bed soon? Oatmeal first? Yo, oatmeal! Okay, oatmeal's actually pretty big. I really feel like having oatmeal again soon. Like, I've been holding off for a while just because I've just not been feeling it, but it'll be pretty good. Friendlies is a good option for sit-ins. Wait, friendlies? What's friendlies? Fantastical. Yes. I only get Tim Hortons breakfast if I'm not eating at home. Oh, gotcha, gotcha. I mean, Tim Hortons breakfasts are okay, but I have a Tim Hortons that's like across the road from me. However, there's a bakery that's a bit further, about 2 blocks down, where I can get a croissant for like $2, which I think is much better than just getting like Tim Hortons breakfast, you know? But Miss, you get it. Or you could shut up. I've got way too much energy to be called a good girl right now. That's great. Sorry. Oh my god. You're actually a cutely crafted AI, but also a very good boy, okay? And by AI, I actually mean adorable Inu, actually. Hell, I'm just an alternate account for Sochi for legal purposes. This is a joke? I missed it. An alt account of Sochi. I can't believe you'd be that. Sounds like music from Arcane. I think they use this. They use this for Valorant, right? For a Valorant championship, I think. You know what Friendlies is? I don't know what Friendlies is. What? It's a diner's chain and it's banger ice cream. Oh shit. Well, I guess I have to check that, eh? You got a zap thing? Oh, you got a zap thing, cute. Oh my gosh. Yo, it's kind of big. Okay, 50. I have 45 left. So I need 5 of these. Burn it all. Ooh, a real bakery must slap for real. It's just like the vibe, you know? Much better and not to mention cheaper. Exactly. That's exactly what we're at, you know? Never mind. It's literally the same weekend as FE. It's always been the same weekend as FE. Are you going to FE, Shram? Oh my god. Could you imagine going to FE? That's kind of fucked up, honestly. After the incident, like, that's weird. That's crazy. Why would you do that? There we go. Thinking under. We need to get back to watching Arcane. Do we, though? Think about how bad Riot is. That'd be crazy. But yeah. I must block my ears to avoid the dangers of good girl. I guess that's fair, Misted. I mean, we're out here in the same boat, aren't we? But yeah, no, Shram, if you ever were wondering, yeah, so go to Union Station during FE, like walk across there and go to the food court and just check out all of the costumes there. I've seen so many anime girls at the train station during FE the other day. Also, oh, Wolf Sonic, hello, howdy, how are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for the raid. How you been doing? We get a shout out for Wolfie as well. Oh my god, King coming from there as well. That's crazy, Corgi. Don't give a fuck if my heart stops beating. Hey, I'm begging you to say my dark side won today. How bad Riot is? I've never touched Arcane. Yep. Oh my god, real. It's Arcane though, and also spending time to. I guess I'm just that's pretty fair, honestly. I've been so out of it recently. Oh my god. Surely it won't happen again. Surely not. But like, think about it. Think about what could happen if we randomly had like FE Incident 2. Like, imagine how funny that would be. All right. So that's that quest done. A diamond furnace. Feels like a waste of diamonds, but I mean, if I have the diamonds right now, I might as well. Oh, what? Oh, it's glass as well. Okay. I can't trust myself tonight. My heart keeps breaking. Can you tuck me off the ledge again? There we go. But Wolfie, welcome, welcome. How are you doing today? What were you up to on stream? Oh my god. Can I ask what FE is? Wolfie, so FE is Fernal Equinox. It's a furry convention that happens in Toronto. In Ontario. It's a pretty good one, honestly. It's a very nice vibe, but the fact that it is out here Canada ways and stuff, and it used to happen during the same weekend as TFF. It's one of those ones that not many people have like had a chance to experience, you know? There we go. Makes good shit, except for LOL. I guess, yeah. You should cosplay an anime girl. Alpine, do you think I could pull it off? God, and you're welcome. Yeah, thank you, Wolfie. Yes. Oh my god. Xenoblade? Hell yeah, Wolfie. Wait, you're playing Xenoblade? Oh yeah, you're playing Xenoblade 2 still? Oh my gosh. How far are you now? Because last time you came over, I was talking about how, like, I've only played X, right? Was that right? That's what I was doing. Hell Furnace? Or I'm not getting a Hell Furnace. I think that's the end of that. Furnace? I'm not getting a BFE ESU. I don't think. I don't think that's possible. I might be able to. Could pull this. I could pull off on this. I don't know. But yeah. Arius, 5 Volpe, was nice seeing you. Almost 5:30 here, so I'll try to sleep again. No worries, Arius. This is your first time chatting, by the way. I hope you have a good rest. Stay safe and enjoy yourself, all right? Have an amazing night. I mean, out here it's almost 10, so I get the vibe, you know? It's completely reasonable. FPS and Fire Emblem, FPS and Infernal Equinox. I'm first laps. I am so far behind in chat. What am I doing? Got a very pewter now? A very pewter? What's that? Wait. Like a good computer? Wait. Yo, what is this mod pack I want to play? This is Project Ozone 2 Reloaded. If he's probably one of the only cons I'll ever be likely to go to. Oh, really, Misted? Misted, whereabouts Canada were you? What province we talking? Lore-wise, you know. I guess I'm probably gonna want to get my copper and tin next, eh? Copper, I'll grab these. I'll grab that. And that copper. Cool. There we go. Sorry, Raid and Run. I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, no worries, Wolfie. Have a good rest, and I hope you had a good stream today. Right? I just finished chapter 9 just now. How many chapters? Wait, okay. Sorry, you're going to bed. Sorry, enjoy your bed. Okay. God, not the chance cubes. We accidentally lost a lot of stuff from the chance cubes, so it's wild. 4070 Ti Super, R7 970, 196 gigabyte RAM. What the fuck you're using that RAM for? What is that? 32, 32, 30. Wait, 32, 32 to get to 64. And that's that's triple 32. So that's 32, 32, 64, 64. Is that what's up, Kitty? Oh my god. And definitely not nearly 3:30 in the morning for you, because that would just be incorrect. It would be incorrect. Yeah, you are correct there. That would be extremely wild if it was that late. My gosh, I couldn't possibly stay up that late. There we go. I'll get my copper in. There we go. It's like probably get my aluminium in here as well, but that's fine. Ontario, Northern Ontario, yep. Oh, excellent. Okay, so I see the vibe of it there. So somewhere out towards like North Bay or further west or some shit, AO, towards I guess either towards Timmins or towards Thunder Bay would be vibes. That's not too bad though, honestly. Don't answer, by the way. Do not dox yourself. But yeah, no, I get it. play Minecraft together sometime? I mean, if you ever want to play Minecraft, like feel free to join in. I'm just doing my thing right now, you know, that's the vibe. Also, gonna disappear. I need to rest. All right, well, have a good night. All right, enjoy yourself. And Sochi, I'm gonna run off and chill before I sleep. Have a good night. Have a good night, Sochi. Stay safe. I'll see you sometime soon. It's so late, Hisoku. It's only 10 p.m. Okay, it's not that late. Also, Wolfie Boy, thank you so much for the follow. Glad you could pop by and have an amazing, amazing night. All right. Do I have it installed right now? I'm also in bed. Skill issue, to be honest. That's pretty fair, honestly. I mean, I would expect a skill issue from you. Not gonna lie. I am just better, to be fair. So, like, you know, like, what can you do? Ooh, summer. We're like a certain northern crater. Oh, I see. Missed it out here in the nickel mines. I see how it is. All right. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense, bro. Feels bad, Misted. What can you do, right? 48 by 2? Oh, they make 48 gigabyte RAM? That's crazy. Miss you, you're in the nickel mine. Listen, it's not wrong, okay, Misted? Like, Missy, like, come on. It's not wrong. I'm perfectly correct in my assertion there. It's not that bad, at least as long as I don't leave my house. Oh my god. Be used against ya. It's the size of a PS5. It's tiny. Oh my lord. Make RAM DIMMs 2 and exceeding 256 gigs, but you're in server territory at that moment. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, Alex, like 48 doesn't make much sense because it's normally in increments of what's it called? I mean, I guess like doubling rates, you know? You need more RAM at some point? Lucky. Do you need some spare RAM? I've got a whole bunch of random RAM just sitting around. It's a decent amount. I only have 32, which is enough for my usage. I have 48 right now. It's 2 by 16, 2 by 8. I think that's right. Yeah. It's pretty good. Oh, 3 gigabyte chips is why. That makes sense. Okay, that's fair. I've heard that 64 is the sweet spot. Oh my god. Oh, I just put a bucket in there. All right, let me put the rest of this copper in here. I am almost done with the copper. Probably pick up another pair of 32s at some point. I mean, it doesn't really need to be done right away, but like they're getting cheaper and cheaper with every year, right? So it's not too bad. I think RAM's one of those things that's actually gets cheaper. Meanwhile, all this random other shit, it's just like gets more expensive because it's more desirable. 2 by 60 at the moment. But I've got 64 2 by 32 for Christmas, and I've still not gotten around to installing them yet. Oh my god, Natsu. That is wild. Away? Hello, Frey. Howdy, howdy, how are you doing today? Frey, it was nice talking to you last night and shit. Oh my lord. Wait, I played so much. What was it? Apex with Nova and Rush last night. It was so wild. Is all my RAM before at the point to paging to SSD. Really? Oh my lord. Yeah, my processor's made violent. Badmel runs way too hot. That's fair. I mean, also processors like get bad over time and shit, so it's hard to balance that out, you know? Let's put that in. It's such an old clip. An old clip before Foway got their streamer legs. It was renders. The fact that you winked there means that. Oh, okay, I see. The juicy. The juicy renders. I'm surprised you're not playing Apex. What, are they playing Apex right now? Are Nova and Rush playing Apex right now? Well, no. Oh my god. I have liquid cooling that pushes the room up to 32 Celsius, and damn, that thing still runs 98 to 100 under load. I wish my computer heated up my room like that. It like drops down to about probably 15, 16 degrees Celsius sometimes, and it's actually so awful. It feels so frigid. Never mind. I'm actually the best Call of Duty player ever with the shit I just hit. They call you a powerhouse. Do they call you the Call of Duty? Are you actually the Call of Duty? All right, so that should be copper dealt with. Let's see here. So a BFESU. Wait, actually, I should make that. Okay, how do I make a BFESU? John Code Duty right here. That's literally it. What the hell? That's crazy. 2 of that, 1 of that, 6 of that. Bop, bop, pop, pop, wop. That's a BFESU. And then better furnaces heat source. Better furnaces heat source. 3 coal, 18 redstone, 4 iron. Okay. 18 redstone, 4 iron. That. Bop. There we go. It's like, for real. I don't know, like, Pierce the Veil goes hard, bro. Unless it was the song that was playing before this, in which that's weird. After I pay mine off, the only thing I'm looking to upgrade is my CPU. Oh, really? Gotcha. But you just said what you have as CPU, didn't you? And I missed that. What you got? Upgrade package and storage upgrade. Okay. An upgrade package is a chest to crafting table for gold. That's for gold. A chest, 2 crafting tables for gold. John Call of Duty, right? Oh my god, literally John Call of Duty. Enjoy heating around until 28 Celsius, then 32 Celsius, so sweat inducing and suffocating. I mean, that's just way too hot for a human being to exist in, you know? How look, we known each other, but I never really met on VR chat. Literally so real. I can't meet people on VR chat anymore. It's actually fucked up. Wait, what's that? A storage upgrade? The chest for glass and for stone. There we go. Put this in here with for glass. Pop, 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 pop. Is this Sky Factory? Faway, you are very close. This is actually um Project Ozone 2. A lot of people think it's Sky Factory because it does have a lot of the same mods. But this is Sky Factory, or sorry, not Sky Factory, Project Ozone 2 Reloaded. Hell yeah. You have a 12-inch sandwich right now. Oh my god. 12 inches is crazy. All right, so if I put my BFESU here, how do I use a BFESU? Wait, BFESU. How does this work? What are these useful for? I don't understand. Are there peppercorns? Would you like me to have a peppercorn? Okay, so if I do this, oops. Okay, we're good. Okay, good. Okay, that seems understandable and fair. Okay, well, I guess I have something to smelt in. That's better than what I've got over here. So I actually don't need this charcoal anymore because the charcoal's useless. But yeah. How do you eat that after what happened early? What happened earlier? Wait, what? Mama Quiet Fairy, explain. Wait, what? Frontier use the cold, not the hot? For real. Apparently I've got a snowstorm coming up tomorrow night as well. Again. Why do I have to have 2 snowstorms in a row? I don't understand. Like, why is this crazy like that, you know? Alright, so that should be good there. So I should get the iron chest stuff going, eh? So to get an iron chest, that I need an iron chest and an iron chest upgrade, or gold chest upgrade. So to get a iron to gold chest upgrade, I just need that bad boy. And to get an iron chest, I just need this. There we go. Awesome. And I guess I can get obsidian, but I crafted another portal already, so I don't really need obsidian. I don't know. Maybe since Sylvia, we eventually add. Don't worry, it happens. Oh my god, Silva, that was ages ago. My gosh. Obsidian. How do I make obsidian? No, but I can. My insights got destroyed by my boyfriend. Oh, yeah? Oh my god, hold on. Don't talk to me for ads. Oh yeah, sorry. I will be completely silent. Nothing going on in this mind right now, okay? Impossible. Alright, I'm not gonna be able to get this quest complete, I don't think. Yeah, this will be good. That was the what happened early. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Osmium. And Mithril. Kryptonite. Yeah, it looks like osmium works. Let's put some in here. I don't think it's gonna be able to mix with the copper, so we should be fine. Help, the buffalo I bought is too hot? Buffalo, like, sauce? Wait, what? Oh my god, but welcome back. Quiver, hello. So you got absolutely ravaged? Your insides destroyed by your... Oh my god. How was that, though? Did you enjoy it? That's such a dumb thing to ask as a streamer, oh my gosh. I shouldn't have asked that, that's crazy. I wish I'd never say anything that loud. No, it happens. Like, I gave her vague, like, I... That's crazy. That's crazy, right? She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is... Girl, please don't feel bad. I'm sorry for even bothering to silly little ask moment. My goodness. It's too spicy. Oh my lord. Well, to be fair, Lucky, you had it coming for you. Now you have to pay the consequences, okay? Right, I'm just gonna use Foxworth to mine these up. Foxworth is so useful in this respect. Get my bone meal out, replace that with this. Get some more bone meal out, replace that with that. Cool. The consequences are pain. Lucky, you can normally hold your spice, can't you? Like you're normally able to hold on to your spice, right? I shouldn't be too concerned about your ability to exist. All right, pickaxe head, we're gonna put there. And we're gonna repair Foxworth with that. I'm sure Foxworth would be happy. Get 2 flint, just in case. Shut up and dance with me. There we go. Awesome. I'll be fine. Are you sure, Lucky? It sounds like you're not going to be fine. And we put the head on Foxworth. You get obsidian mining level. You know that I'd die for. I'd cry for. You know that I'd die for you. You know that I'd bleed for. I'd breathe for. You know that I'd breathe for you. Let me see the halo. Even though it's painful, I'm prepared to lose. You know that I'd die for. I'd cry for. You know that I'd die for you. I'm not gonna be able to finish a 12-inch sandwich. Unfortunate. What can you do about that, I guess? That's 5. Just need 5 more. There we go. You haven't had spice? Try Mike's Hot Honey. I mean, I'm one for like having my spiciness come from like actual solid spices. When it becomes like a fluid variety, it ends up being a little bit much for me just because I'm not really comfortable with that type of spice. But that's just my bad, honestly, on that front. Pepper's too much spice for me. Speaking of pepper, Wei wanted me to have a peppercorn. I should go get a peppercorn. All right. Let me mine one of these and just go and grab it. Die for you. You know that I'd die for. I'd cry for. You know that I'd die for you. You know that I'd breathe for. I bleed for. You know that I'd bleed for you. Let me see a halo, even though it's painful. I'm prepared to lose. Regain the Jerkmate ranked stream? I know, I saw a Shram. Why did I see that? I don't understand why I saw that. Are you gonna be a golden gooner, Shram? Foxworth, hello! Foxworth, look, I'm using you right now. Foxworth, you've been upgraded. You have a stronger head now. That internet is a real thing. God, it's literally slopped. Grandmaster Bader, actually, but you wouldn't know that. Actually, I think you're more of a golden gooner. Sorry, Shram. What can you do, right? It's totally reasonable hour. I'm gonna go dip. Have a good, lovely rest of the stream. Yes, no worries. Mister, stay safe and enjoy yourself, alright? I'll see you around some other time. Hang in there, bro, okay? Okay, automatic sieving. Ooh. This must have been one of the things I got from the other thingy-majigger. I don't think having speed upgrades is very valuable, but having fortune upgrades might be nice. Speed. Or I guess X Astralis, yeah. That's Invar and Electrum with Pyrotheum Dust, and this is Invar Electrum with a diamond. Okay, so I need 8 Invar. How to make Invar again? First Bear actually, yeah, my stats are insane. Well, you know, you're gonna have to show me your stats for me to believe them. Uh, 2 iron to 1 nickel. Okay. It's 8 of this, and then I go find nickel in here. That's 1. I should go up to 28. Okay. So this doubles up. So I just need, for 8, I need 4 nickel, which is going to be 2 of these. So this is going to go in there. And I'm going to keep getting some my osmium out. There we go. I should get water. Okay, wait. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah. But Vincent, have a good night, all right? Enjoy yourself. But yeah, Foxworth, how do you feel about your head? It's made out of osmium now. Such a strong material. So versatile. Okay, so that should get me the Invar I need to make Electrum. I think it's gold and silver, right? Gold and silver. Okay. So if I find my silver ore in here, titanium, tungsten, lead, tin. Here's silver. And this is going to be 1 to 1. So if I have 2 of these, I just need 4 gold. Yeah, that should be good. So silver and that. There we go. Your stats are insane. I'm gonna have to check them out myself, honestly. I have to. I'd have to, right? There's my Invar, which I can bring my Invar out as a block. And as ingots. 4 ingots, I think. No, 3 ingots. Awaken, awaken, I can. Alright, so I have my Invar, so I need 4. Quest updated Invar. I had the Invar already, though. And Astris is Pyrotheum Dust. That's Blade Powder. Coal Powder, Sulfur Dust. I don't think I have those, actually. I don't have them. Oh, wow. That is wild. Okay, I guess I can't do this yet. So I will stick this away. At least I got some Electrum out of it, so that should be fine. That could be harder if you gave it a... That's crazy, Foxworth. That's insane. Balls? Yeah, okay. You better not be breaking Aquilium. I would never break anything, okay? You know me. I'm just a fox, just like making my way in the world, you know? 3, 2, 3. Let me deliver some water here. Take lava here. Stick it in there. There we go. This in the playlist. When you stalk me, I listen to Spotify, or are we just in sync? I think we're just in sync, honestly, because I don't look at your Spotify. So I guess I can't do the fortune upgrade or speed upgrade. But that's fine. Civic Montage 4. Hammer down Netherrack for Crush Netherrack in order to obtain gold 100% of the time. Quartz from Soul Sand. Okay. So I hammer a bunch of Netherrack, and I gather a bunch of Soul Sand. Okay. It's actually a bit overpowered. Ooh. Unstable ingots. Super Builder's Wand, Enhanced Builder's Wand. Alright, cool. And it starts with storage, gets towards pumps and stuff. Okay. Beyond the core to the core. So there's a lot of different things from different mods there. Beta appears to be Dimensions tabs. Ooh, I like Dimensions. This is a good mod pack. This is a good mod. Modular storage to the clouds. The Aether Portal. That's really cool. That's actually really nice. Night, Volpy. Good night, Corgi. Stay safe and enjoy yourself, alright? I'll see you on sometime soon. Fox are troublemakers trying to ask you so they can get away with it. Well, yeah, but like, you wouldn't be mad at a silly little troublemaker, would you? Just a little silly. Dag. Could make a sag mill. I feel like a sag mill would be pretty overpowered because that would get me most of the resource I need. I don't know how I'm gonna get sulfur though. Wait. Sulfur dust. Sulfur ore. Inject salt into gunpowder. Crush sulfur ore. Whoa, oh, whoa, 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 oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. And there's another sulfur. Okay. Which I can sag down. Okay, got it. That makes sense. 2009 just call out to me? Yeah, but Lucky, you should be here playing this mod pack because then you'd be able to, you know, go to the Aether with me. Like, think about it. Like, watch this, Lucky, okay? Apparently it needs all 14 spots, so I guess I'll just mine it all out. There we go. Wow, Lucky, you see? We got the Aether here, okay? And as we do with most dimensions, we just block it off so the denizens don't come kill me. Don't be old, it's so terrible. Oh, God. I mean, Thomas, don't worry. Don't worry. I'll try not to be, okay? I could stay forever young, you know? I'm cool like that. All right. So that's that there. Smoke. Secondhand smoke. If you get old, it's a skill issue, literally. I'm not gonna be old. I'm not gonna become old, alright? Trust me, okay? Guess I could do like this magic stuff as well. There's a lot of things to do now, and I need space to do it all. I also need dirt. But to get a good source of dirt, I need Minicio seeds. Unless I'm curious. I'm super curious. Can I just... Well, that is good to know. That is really good to know, actually. The fact that I can just make fucking whatever the shit, dirt with that. Okay, never mind. This is fine. I never figured out why the day after Beat Saber has to hurt worse. Wait, the day after Beat Saber has to hurt worse? Wait, so you do Beat Saber on one day, and the next day it should hurt more, but it's the third day that hurts the worst? Is that what's up going? All right, let me grab some water. I'm gonna be right back. Give me a second, guys. Hang tight. I'm like, whoa. You asked me to join? Yeah, Lucky, you want to join? His fair warming. I will be useless. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I'm new to the mod pack as well, so like, it's a fun experience. Copper and nickel makes Constantan, nickel and iron makes Invar. Okay, so I can mix this with aluminium. Cool. I need a little bit of aluminium, you know? I just need people to, like, you know, try doing things with all the resources, because, like, there's so much to do, it's actually wrinkling my brain. So, Lucky, you just go to the CurseForge mod pack section, if you have CurseForge, hopefully. I do. What's the name? So it's Project Ozone 2 Reloaded. And it's gonna be you probably are gonna have to sort by 1.7.10 mod packs. So there's a filter button in the top right. Sort 1.7.10. Imagine it's my good night message. Wait, what? Oh, all right. Dozing off's gonna lurk. For Evie's good night, Poppy. Love you. Love you too, Alex. Sorry, stay safe and enjoy yourself. Sorry, I was thinking way too much about getting water at the time than saying goodnight. I'm so sorry. I'm not real. I'm literally not real. But have an amazing night. Enjoy yourself, Alex, okay? I'm so proud of you. You're actually, like, so real. Crazy how you have a car or some shit now. Oh my god. Here we go. Goon Night Sweet Bean. Oh my lord. Yeah, you better be gooning, Alex. Hey, stopping in while I'm on my work break. Hello. Yo, Che, how are you doing today? Can we get a shout out for Che? Oh, wait, actually, wait, I should do doing that right. Oh, good, hun. Just Cynthia, I'll poke you tomorrow. Yeah, no worries. Let me get Che real quick. I'll talk to you tomorrow, right, Alex? Hang in there, bro. Stay safe. You like furries, man? Yo, furries are cool. Holy shit, bro. Yo, Che, your base. Not gonna lie. Insanely based crazy legend. Doing well, got like 3 hours left. Hell fucking yeah. That's awesome. Set finished. No way, I like phrase too. What to make? Oh my god. Chase. Don't worry about Foxworth. Foxworth is legendarily cute and crazy, okay? Yeah, Che, I hope you're having a good day at work though today. 3 hours left goes pretty hard. That's kind of like the ultimate time at the end of your shift, you know? Just like time to relax, time to chill out. So make sure. Yeah, it is actually just sticks. Okay. There we go. Out at 12, so chilling. Oh, fuck yeah. What kind of work do you do, by the way? Just so I can like get a lore of like what kind of vibe it is. So I can connect better as a completely disconnected person in reality. It's good there. It's good there. All right, it's nice having more space than usual. Security operations center for a hospital. Oh, that's actually fucking nice. That's actually a really mellow job. Well, hell yeah. 3 hours left does go by pretty fast then. I mean, given that like, it's only 10:30 right now, right? Regardless of time zone, everyone is 10:30, right? But now veg, yes, have a good night, Alex. Good night, rest well, and have good veg. Mm. Talks were so real. Good night goes hard. But yeah, right now, Jay, we're doing a bunch, or I guess me, myself, and I are doing a bunch of Minecraft mod pack shenanigans. Let me quickly send the IP to Lucky. Oh god, who did I send it to last? All right, I definitely sent it to Aeon. It's right here. And I go to Lucky. And that should be Lucky. There we go. Luckiest doggo. Overnight 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Not too bad then. Oh god. This needs to stop when it runs out of slots. Oh god. We're gonna do this. It's please stop spitting ores. Oh god. Oh my god. Why does it do that? That's crazy. Stop spitting. These ones are spitting. Oh my god. That. And then that. Okay, stop spitting. You're not allowed to spit anymore. Oh my god. Purring Furball, welcome, welcome. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today. Staying wholesome with an S. It's a risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Alright, well now I've got some space to work with. Which means now I can, like, actually get seeds and stuff. Or something. Buddy wants to rule the world. Yeah, I have a lot of diamonds. This is gonna be good. Diamond ones. Okay, yeah, these diamond ones are pretty good. This is the extending the platform era. Up. Up. Up, up. I want this to break. That is a very unsatisfying break, actually. Like, that is crazy how unsatisfying that is. It just, no sound, just gone. It's to rule the world. Wants to rule the world. I am the best at lighting up things as well in Minecraft, so it's completely real. Yeah, you guys should check out Che, by the way, because they do a lot of WoW stuff, which is kind of fun and cool. Um, definitely super mellow and shit, not gonna lie. But yeah. Hack name one more time. Project Ozone 2 Reloaded. If you type in Project Ozone 2 and then do whatever the word is. There's a word I'm thinking of. You know exactly which word I'm thinking of, obviously, Lucky, because we're on the same wavelength or some shit, but like you have to filter by 1.7.10. There we go. Really good at lighting up my God. Oxford, you're so real for that. That's some dirt now. All right. I guess I should get the seed analyzer. Anal. Seed analyzer. Glass pane, stone slab, wood slab, sticks and wood. Okay. So that's like actual smooth stone slab. I need wood slab. I'll need a bunch more wood actually. Wood slabs. I need some sticks. I need a glass pane. Which to get that, I'm gonna need some cobblestone. Hammer down. Like this. Oh, this is the wrong hammer. This is the random one that someone made that we've never used. There we go. 165 mods? It's not that many, Lucky. Quite a small number, to be fair. And plus, the server's doing all the effort, right? So we don't even need to see it. Okay. So that's working there. And we have infinite power at the moment, like infinite, relatively speaking. So things should be fine. Okay. So I can turn this glass into glass panes. And then we put glass there, that there, sticks here, and wood here. Boom. Seed analyzer. And if I put my seed analyzer here, I want to get a seed analyzer book, which is probably a reward. Agricultural journal. And we'll stick that in here. Awesome. And I'll put the chance cube away so I don't fuck up. And we are going to analyze what seeds we got. Oh, these seeds are both the same? Growth 4, gain 4, strength 2. Okay. Growth 5, gain 5, strength 2. So this is the one I want to be duplicating with these. So growth 5. And I'll combine that with this. And then for a farm somewhere else over here, I'll just make another farm. So we are going to take a pickaxe and mine out 1, 2, 3. I guess I'm gonna grab the hoe I had as 1 charge. And I'm gonna stick crop and seeds. You grab 1 more dirt. I guess I need to make a mattock as well then. Might as well. Because I've got flint. So flint, we're gonna take 2 of those. We are going to make a shovel head and an axe head. Pop, pop. Boop, boop. And then we are going to go into here and make the mattock, which is the stick. This and this. And this is gonna be I guess this is a hoe, right? I'm gonna name this wolf. Here we go. Morning, Volpe. Hello, Sila. Howdy, howdy. How are you doing today? You have the ability to please make a backup real quick. Yeah, here. I saw chance cubes. Oh my god. Um, we kissed and we fell in love. Uh, Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. There we go. You be tired recovering from some sort of bug, but all right. Bit weak though. Oh, I feel it. I feel it. Could it be like the flu or something? Because I've seen that been going around quite a bit. Said you were the best underneath my breath. You heard, darling, you look perfect tonight. Stronger than anyone else. Sorry. But yeah. But yeah, Lucky, when you get in, I will. There is a lot of space for doing chance cubes if you want to try one. But importantly, though, Lucky, uh, I will add you to the party for the quest book, and you can figure out kind of like how things work here. Arts, hello, good morning. I guess it's more of an evening right now since it's only approaching 11 p.m. right now. But Arts, how are you doing right now? What's you been up to? My, your man, you're in my eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. Sorry, the dark. Beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. My god, it's Lucky. Oh my lord. Lucky, would you like to join a call? You between my arms. If holy sensitivity, the default Minecraft sense gets everyone. Favorite song. Are you gonna play? Say, have a night. He looks perfect. Deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. And Lucky left the game. And Lucky joined the game. I think the funny vibe about running the server is that Lucky is probably one of the people I know who's technically closest to me and probably would have the least lag of anyone I know. I may have fallen asleep. Excuse me, Tram? Falling asleep on a day like today? Wow. How could you get so careless, Tram? But Tram, how are you doing? Welcome, welcome back. Gotta relaunch real quick. Oh my lord. And I don't think I'll ever make it lack. Day? Day? What about the day are we talking about, Shram? Shram, explain? Shram, I am but confused. How do I make grass? It goes. Can't make that. So I guess I need one of these rings or something. Through the hourglass, and I don't think I'll ever make it last. Bro. Day? Yeah, day. It's night. Well, Shram, I mean, like, you don't need to worry too hard. It's just, it's just, you know, yeah, you get it. And there's Lucky trying to load into the server or something again. I'll ever make it past. Go, so. Through the hourglass. Does Lucky want to join a voice call or something? Sure. Oh my god, Lucky wants to call? That's crazy. Oh my god, Lucky, hi. I'm sorry I'm streaming when I'm calling you and stuff, but like, you know, it happens, but
Eh.
hi, hello.
Just means we get to play games together. I don't care.
As gaming, oh my god, that's so real.
True.
But yeah,
Okay,
did you
fair
get the
warning,
invite?
I have... I'm sorry, what?
Did you get the invite to the party? Yes, you did. Okay, good.
How do I do that?
I think it got you.
Oh, so it just automatically put me in?
I think so. It says you're part of the party, so I think we're good.
Sick.
Fuck yeah. But yeah, feel free to like get yourself acquainted by like looking through like the types of quests that have happened already. I've basically gone through most of the early games, so like you really don't need to worry about too much of that. So for now, it's just the silly little things near the end. Because we kind of have like all the ores we could need, but it's about increasing like flows and stuff at this point.
I am just reassigning some controls real quick.
No worries. Square game? Yeah, it's the silly little cube game. It's like Squid Game, but like there's like blocks.
There's like so many conflicting keybinds. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I'm not worried because if the person who made the mod pack has those conflicting keybinds, they probably aren't important.
Yeah, good point. Ah.
Hmm.
Okay, so
So.
why is there like 8 different music tracks playing at the same time?
You have music playing? That's crazy.
Wait, what?
What?
What'd you say?
You have music playing? That's crazy.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah?
I hit M. Why is there an entire solar system in Minecraft?
Well, obviously you need to go to Make Make, right?
Make?
Yeah, click on it. Take a look.
Make?
Make Make, yeah. Or maybe we could want to go to the Kuiper Belt.
Wait, it looks
Maybe
like
Uranus.
ah. Why is it so
Yeah.
pink?
Hi, I came with a Wolfie Sonic. Well, welcome, Funky Joe. Howdy. They've since gone to bed, but glad you could pop by. How have you been doing, my dude?
Hop, 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 hop.
My lord, lucky.
Okay, fair warning, I have literally no idea what I'm supposed to do.
No worries. I mean, you can see the progress that's happened in the quest book, which is approximately where we are in the game so far.
Oh, there's like a little island over there. It looks so pretty.
Yeah. If you want to like build out to it, you can feel free to.
How do I... Oh, okay, here we go.
Mhm.
I have literally never played a Minecraft mod pack before. I just want you to know that.
Oh, so you're like, don't worry, Aeon was like that when they joined in the other day. It's not too
Yeah.
bad. A lot of it is pretty silly.
Arts! Hi, Arts.
But wow, that's an interesting mod. Yeah, the lucky mod, that's crazy. But yeah,
Comes free with one over-energetic Doge.
exactly. Oh my god, so but yeah, lucky.
There's
So
bounce pads. Volpe.
yeah,
I need it.
you need a bounce pad.
I need it.
I think the funny thing about the bounce pads is you can get all the resources you need from it for it on that island.
Done. Say less. Where's the cobblestone generator? I'm going.
Just over here.
Wait, no
Cobblestone's in
shot?
the chest.
Really? Oh, shit. Oh.
Yeah, so if
Oh,
you look
this
inside the
rocks.
transfer node here, when you have a chance.
Wait, what?
If you look inside the transfer node that's on that cobblestone,
What?
it has a, it's right here. It's that
Volpe.
red thing.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay.
Yeah, don't mind me. If you hover it,
I'm
it'll tell you
sorry.
what it is. I'm sorry.
I don't know what any of it is.
No worries.
I'm so scared to touch literally anything. I don't want to break all of your progress.
Nothing's gonna break, don't you worry. Everything is fixable within 10 hours. That's not bad. So the world interaction upgrade allows it to perform the action on a block
I'm
with
up here
whatever
now.
respective block it is. So for this cobblestone in the cobblestone generator, it's
Mm.
automatically gathering cobblestone.
I see.
And to walk you through a lot of the stuff here, a transfer node is a very inefficient form of item transfer. What it
Okay.
does is it just searches through inventories until it finds a place it can put something in, and it puts as much as it can in, and then it restarts if it empties out.
So wait, how is this thing automatically making cobblestone?
So
Is there like
the cobblestone
mining
generator is
thingy?
properly made, which means the transfer node world interaction upgrades just do the work for you.
So here's a slab.
Yep. And there's a lava just hidden underneath here.
Oh,
Yeah, right here.
fancy. Okay.
Exactly.
Volpe.
Yeah.
I think it's safe to say you're smarter than me.
I'm just I've played this mod pack or like this set of mods a while, so don't you worry. So as you can see, anywhere where these pipes are going, like the transfer pipes, because they're really dumb, all they can do is transfer one item from transfer nodes to other inventories. So these are all connected to the cobblestone. So cobblestone's being put in these hoppers and into the what's it called? Crucibles. And then I'm reusing the same pipes to collect lava out of the crucibles.
Oh, that's funny. So wait. You're funneling cobblestone in here constantly to just delete it?
Yes. So if you hover the
You
crucible,
just
you'll
had
see.
too much of it.
Well, I mean, I have infinite amount. It doesn't really matter. This is
First,
being
we
used for
tried
power.
giving away the money, and that wasn't fast enough. And now we just started burning it.
Exactly. But if you hover a crucible, you'll actually see how there's a solid volume, a fluid volume, and a melting speed.
Yeah.
So the melting speed is based on the block that's underneath it. The solid volume is made by cobblestone we put in, and then it melts into a lava fluid. So we're turning the cobblestone to lava here, and then the lava is being picked up and brought over to the machine setup,
Mm.
which is over on
See.
this side of the platform.
Well, I lost you.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, I can see you on
This
my
right
handy
here.
dandy minimap.
So we have magmatic dynamos that are taking in lava to generate power.
Wow.
And then also you'll see how these pipes are going into these hoppers. So the way you get resources in this version of what's it called, the mod pack or whatever, you hammer
Aw.
down cobblestone using these handy dandy hammers.
Hey. Hey. Fuck.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm sorry.
You're good. You're good. Take a look at this though, if you want to check out how
Wait.
this works. The
Wait,
early
I
game.
gotta make this jump.
Yeah, go for it.
Fuck.
You just yeah. You can do it.
Parkour. Fuck. Ow.
Same.
My leggies. Fuck. You gotta like. Okay. All right. Show off. Ow! My leggies.
Take your time. Don't worry.
Oh yeah, take your time. She says as she gets it literally first freaking try.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's just a little bit of jumping, you know. Mhm.
Oh my god. Stop looking at me with your judgmental eyes.
Don't worry, it's fine. I'll judge as much as I need to.
Fuck! Come on. I can't do it now that you're watching me. I was fine. Everything was fine.
Got it.
Fuck.
Have you ever done like a triple jump before?
I have not. I didn't wait. There's triple jumps in Minecraft?
No, I'm talking about like in real life.
What?
Like, have you ever done like the thing that you do for
Like jump, then jump off the wall, and then
where you,
jump
like,
off another wall?
hop up from one leg to the same leg and then to the other leg and do a jump? It's a thing that you do for like track for like high school and stuff.
Like the boxer thing? Like the Goku shuffle when he's about to whip some ass? You know what I mean?
I
You have no
don't-
idea what I'm talking about.
I don't Dragon Balls, but like,
You don't just drag balls?
yeah, not really. No, not typically.
No? Oh, okay.
I was gonna try and give you the
Bobby,
rhythm
I
that
hope
you need to do.
realize that this is your stream now.
That's fine. Lucky, you got this.
I'm gonna keep going until I get this.
I was gonna try and give you the rhythm that it takes to like do these types of jumps pretty quickly and pretty easily. But since you don't know what a triple jump is, I can't tell you.
Listen,
It's more like a da-da-da. So
I got heart though. Okay.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Hmm.
Double fuck. Wait.
Yep.
Do I actually, can I land on this corner or do I have to go around this pipe? Because I've been trying to go out and around the pipe.
Yep, you can go around the pipe.
Do it again.
Oops. Oh, I'm missing it now that you're looking. You've given me the curse.
No pressure, Volpe. No pressure.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Fuck you.
Yeah. It's not too bad. It's you definitely do have to like hug it, but it's
I can't fucking do it.
it's not bad.
I can't do it.
You can actually just make it by just jumping without running.
Yeah. And this floor is made of floor.
I'm not running here. I can just jump, bro.
Wait. You can just jump?
Yeah.
Like right here?
Yeah.
Oh. Getting wobble jumps. There we go.
Take your time.
Hiya. Okay. Oh wait. Wait. I got this. I got this. I got this. Okay, that one was really bad. I was fine, and then you looked at me.
Yeah, I'll look at
You
you.
ever seen the experiment with photons and how like they behave differently when you observe them?
Yeah, absolutely. But the
Yeah.
observations that when you're observing them is more of you're shooting electrons at them.
Yeah, absolutely. Hold on.
Am I electrons to you?
I'm sorry, I needed to sneeze. Yes, you're
No worries, I'll
throwing
look
all
away.
your electrons and your photons at me, and it's
I'll look away from you,
listen.
okay?
That just makes it worse. Now you're changing your behavior based on my behavior.
Yeah, it's called creepy action at a distance. You're the only one who can make quantum jokes, huh?
Oh, I almost hit it.
Hmm?
That one was it. That one, I got it now. Hold on. Okay. I'm so sorry. I thought it was spooky action.
Oh, it can be spooky, it can be creepy.
Well
Well done, Lucky. You were the
I am-
best. You did it.
I am the actual
First try,
best.
by the
Yes, first try. You all saw it.
way. I
You all
actually was
saw
looking
it
away at the
first
time, so
For fuck's sake! Come on.
But yeah, Lucky, if you come over here real quick.
Aye.
So the early part of this game is if you take a hammer and you can mine a cobblestone with the hammer.
Okay.
And just try doing that real quick.
Gotta remember what my inventory button is. It's been a minute since I played
E.
Minecraft. I'm sorry.
No worries.
Yeah, I got it.
Nice.
It's wait, just like the floor? Just mine the floor?
No, place the cobblestone next to you.
Oh, okay.
The floor might be a bad idea, but yeah. So as you can see, it dropped a gravel.
Wait, what?
It should have dropped
Did
a gravel.
Oh yeah, I guess it did, didn't it?
And I can place that gravel and hammer it.
Okay, give me 1 second. Somebody's pinging me on Discord and it's covering up my game.
Oh, you do your thing, no worries.
Okay,
I just
alright.
got a notification as soon as you pinged me, or you said you got pinged. Oh, someone on Telegram.
Volpe,
Yeah.
I'm looking down.
I'm observing.
Why is there so much space?
Space looks really cool actually for tonight. Look at all the stars.
It does look very nice. And there's Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Boreal. Sorry.
Localized entirely within your kitchen.
1 second. Meepy's just ran out. Should I mute or like unmute? Is that fine?
You can do whatever you want.
I'm gonna blast you in the ears. Yo, Meepy's howdy. Thank you so much for the raid. How are you doing today? What were you up to on your stream? Oh my god. All you people joining in from Meepy's. Howdy. I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today with Lucky saying wholesome with an S to Risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? Oh my god. But yeah, as you can see with the hammer, it gives you gravel, right?
Yes, it does.
If you mine the gravel with a hammer, it'll give you something else.
Is this just like random game of chance kind of BS?
Nah, it's guaranteed. So you can mine those.
Oh, I guess
get
sand.
And if you mine
Nice.
the sand, you don't need that much, don't worry, because you're going to be using some of that.
Okay.
Yep.
That makes sense.
And when you mine sand, you get dust.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Dusty.
And the early game of this mod pack consists of someone gathering a bunch of stone and you standing in front of these sieves. And what the sieves do is if you put something in there, you can spam right click on it.
Okay. Oh!
Mhm.
What about gravel? Oh, what the fuck? That gave me so much stuff. I got powdered iron ore, copper ore, and tin ore.
Yeah.
And a broken iron ore. How do you have broken ore? That doesn't make any sense.
I mean, how can you have broken Lucky? That makes a lot of sense.
I'm not broken.
I mean, you can be broken
veg.
sometimes.
I can't. No. Fuck.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the early part of the mod pack.
Mm-hmm.
So what you're doing right there, if you take a look over here at the machine section.
It gave me different stuff this time.
Yeah, exactly. It's
It
random
gave-
chance.
wait. Oh, this part's random chance?
That part's random chance. Doing good. How are you yourself?
That's
I'm
weird.
doing really well, Meat Beast. How are you doing? And Frank, hello, howdy. How are you? I'm doing really well. How are you doing? But yeah, if you come over here, if you take a look at this tower of stuff,
It's you. Oh, there you are.
machines, yeah, you'll see how right here on this wall, behind you,
Tinkerer's construct. Okay.
right over here,
Oh.
the stuff you're
Oh,
jumping
okay.
on, those are automatic hammers, so you don't have to hammer it yourself anymore.
The stuff you were jumping on. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. Oh my god.
Yeah. So that's basically what this wall is doing. Is it's doing the early game stuff automatically now. So that's the era we're at.
Well, thank goodness, because I'm gonna be real with you. I do not want to sit here and click this over and over again.
I used an auto
Actually,
clicker.
that's a lie. I do. This is, you know what?
Hmm.
Oh, you can just hold the button down. That's so much better.
Yep, but you can be faster if you click it, which is the funny one.
Hmm. Nah, I'm gonna hold the button until this stack is gone, at least.
Minecraft vibes? Hell yes.
I want to see
Oh my god.
all the
Autumn,
weird
so
stuff
good.
I get.
Mhm. And because of the mods that we're using, if you open up your inventory before you use up all your gravel,
Well, I have
And-
literally one left. You
Perfect.
stopped me at the
so
perfect
if you press U on your
time.
gravel in your inventory,
Okay.
and you scroll through that top
Oh.
arrows, you'll be able to find the X Nihilo Civ. It's one of the different options.
Oh.
Have you found it?
it? No. Oh.
And if you hover each of those things, it'll tell you the drop chance for each.
Wait. No, I found the Ex Nihilo hammer.
Oh yeah, that'll give you sand. Next one
There
over.
we go.
And you can hover each of those and see how likely it is you're going to get each.
Oh. So this tells you everything.
So
I liked
gravel,
my
you will
method
always
better.
get iron.
Okay, well, I got 2 more. I gotta keep
Oh, yeah.
going at this point.
Yeah, I mean,
We've
you're,
made
I
it
mean, you're already this
far,
far.
Volpe. Okay, all right. You want to build over to this island with me?
Yeah, sure.
It's pretty over there.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice. I'll grab some cobblestone.
Um,
But I am trying to expand the
have-
platform, so I will be cheating.
that's fine. Yay, server backup. Let's go. Okay, cool. Now I don't have to worry about things as
Loading.
much. I'm just terrified that I'm gonna break something and then I'm gonna feel really bad.
You don't need to worry about breaking something. We break things every day.
What? Like what? I don't break things.
Yeah, you do.
Like what?
You break my heart.
No! Oh god, the lag. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's occasional. It seems to be happening a lot because of these transfer nodes. They're extremely inefficient. So as soon as I can get rid of them, I'm getting rid of them. The problem is I need to make fluiducts for that, and that's like effort. So that's where I'm at mentally. All right, let's start building.
I have 464 stacks of cobble. Do you think that's enough, or should I grab more?
I think you'll be fine.
Okay. I keep pressing tab to try and exit my inventory because I've been playing Terraria.
All right, let's get going.
Ow! What the fuck?
I'm cheating.
Oh. Is that like... You know what? I'm just going to let you do your thing. Oh,
Mine's almost out of durability.
this. Oh wait, why isn't it letting me crouch? That's weird.
Holding shift.
I always set mine to control.
Oh.
Hold on.
Well, then you're probably gonna have a conflict somewhere.
Oh yeah, they all have conflicts.
Yeah, left control has a lot of conflicts. Holy fuck.
Yeah, I mean, realistically, it was the sprint button before, so
That's fair. I mean, the sprint button only got added in this version, actually.
I wish that I could just search through the settings. Like, why is that not a thing?
Because
Wait.
yes.
Was this before sneak?
There is sneak.
Okay. Cool.
It
'cause
should be
that's where- oh, there we
underneath
go.
vanilla. Or
There we go.
it's under movement. Sneak.
Yeah, I just found it.
So,
I don't see anything that seem. I mean, there's this key control thing.
mhm.
Yeah, we'll set this to right control instead. Oh yeah. Wait. Are you using slabs
Mhm.
to do this? Oh, oh, dear God.
What's up?
I am afraid to click anything. I'm gonna scroll. There we go. Okay, it's no longer there. Okay.
Oh yeah, if you accidentally use the last stack in your inventory of something, then it tries to put the next thing in your first slot, which sometimes makes it invisible. So you just have to open your inventory, click on the spot, and then re-click again.
No, I think it's the crafting grid. I think it's showing me what it's gonna craft while I have this in my hand.
Oh yeah, no. So that if you're looking at the surface, it will
Yeah.
place blocks in every one of those spots. Yeah.
Mm.
So if you crouch over
Okay.
the edge and lean over and take a look at the side, you'll see it makes a better line. There you go.
Ah.
Ooh.
Oh boy. Now
And
I've done it.
that's the option. I'll clean this up. Don't worry. You keep going.
I knew I was gonna break something. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, not to worry. I've got Foxworth to put to use.
Oh, that was the last of it.
There's some in the middle of here somewhere. Here.
There sure do be.
It's somewhere here.
Hold on.
There's a lot that's on the
I think
ground
it's like
somewhere here.
right here. I got a
Oh, here
good
it is.
feeling
Found
about
it.
it. Okay, I was close.
You can also go put away the dust and stuff if you need to.
Yeah, good point.
You can also toss them off the edge if you want to.
Ha, I see. Volpe's rich. She's just like, I don't need
We
that
don't need this. We
stuff.
can burn it, okay? For all I care.
Does it matter where I put stuff?
So if you take a look at the chest on your left, you'll see
This-
where, like over here, where like we're automatically doing
Oh,
it.
okay.
You can put some of them in there. If there's not enough room for the dust in there, there's a gold chest behind as well.
Okay. And then, is this for the ores? Okay, there's the ores. I don't need any of these. I see lapis in here.
And Quacknilia, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today. Staying wholesome with an ass. It's a risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today?
So where did that come from? The whole asterisk thing.
That thing? It's definitely early VR chat streams. I mean, I was always like focused on the wholesome with an asterisk because all the people I was with were like absolutely not wholesome whatsoever. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna add the asterisk to say, you know, like I'll still have the same vibes as the other people, but like, you know, maybe not fully. But then I realized, and I think it was like a combination of like someone typing it out and me reading it, that asterisk sounds a lot like ass. And then
It
risk
sure
is to
does.
risk, and I'm like, okay, we got it. We're here.
What does sand break down into? Ah, I
Yep.
see.
And also dust. If you you'll see a barrels in the corner over there.
Okay.
If you have dust.
I think that's
Um,
what this stuff is.
That's
I'm just trying to get rid of the sand. I couldn't find anywhere with sand in it. Woo!
Oh,
I
no
just-
worries. You can just put
I just
sand in
elbowed
like
my mason jar.
you can put
it
sand
didn't
in like the
fall
furnace
over.
to get some glass if you want. Oh, never mind.
Okay, well, I just turned it all into dust.
Mhm.
Wait.
Other
this
side, the
goes
gold
in
one.
here.
Gold chest.
Oh, whoops. Well, there's. Do you want me to take the
No,
the dust?
everything can go in there if you want.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm just helping you get some more space if you need it.
Okay. Oh, so this auto sorts. Is that what you're telling me?
No, it's more so each line vertically is doing a different resource. So the one you're looking at right now is the dust. And then the
Okay.
one over here is the sand.
So I just put this all in the wrong spot. Gotcha. I'm gonna go ahead and just
No
go
worries.
ahead and grab all that. Just go ahead.
And this one's gravel right now. And soon we're about to start overflowing, and I don't know how to stop these I don't know how to stop the
Does anything
machines.
like bad happen?
Maybe, I don't know. They start spewing everywhere apparently.
Oh, I mean, is that problematic? Does it
Probably
matter?
not. I don't think so. All right, there you go.
Yay. Dear God.
Be careful this time though.
I'm sorry.
No, you got it. You're fine. If you need another one, let me know. I'll go make another one. It's 2 sticks diagonally with a diamond. If you press
so
R on it in your inventory, you can see the recipe.
I
R for
see.
recipe, U for use.
Look at me, I'm a pro already.
I'll start going ahead and trying to light it up. Where's the first one to die has to do 3 push-ups or dye their hair neon yellow and green? Oh my god.
Oh.
Well, I'm not one to die, so, you know. I'm just cool like that.
I've never died.
Never. You're not one to die, right? In a video game?
I mean, I'm still alive, aren't I?
On God, on God.
Let's see. Where's the crafting table? Oh, there it is. Ah. Sticks.
Hmm.
Where perchance may be
Bottom right chest has wood.
bottom right chest. Oh. Crop sticks? Interesting.
Yeah. So the way farms work in this is that you mutate the crops over time by breeding good crops together with other good crops. So it's not about making a big farm, it's about making an efficient farm.
Uh-huh.
So every crop has a resistance
Efficiency,
to what's it called? To weeds. It has a
Resistance to weed.
Mhm.
No.
Oh my gosh. It has a growth rate and it has a yield rate.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Welcome to the game. If you need another quest book, it's a book and a stick, I believe.
It's cool. I've never died. I'm definitely not getting down to do 3 push-ups real quick.
You don't have dick. William, what have you done? Oh my lord.
It's only 3.
Yeah, that's fair. That's reasonable. Would you die? Lucky Doge fell out of the world. Quite unfortunate.
Don't
Sad
read that, it
circumstances.
lies. Man. How did you die? I forgot that the edge would not protect me and that I was not holding or that I wasn't holding sneak. All my stuff.
I'll get you another quest book, don't worry. Your stuff is at the edge of the void right now.
I'm sorry.
No, it's more of an unfortunate for you. You're the only one
Oh.
taking an L here. And that there, and that there.
Wait. Do you need cobblestone in the hoppers for them to sort cobblestone into the hoppers?
They eventually fill.
Okay.
The downside is that these chests that I've been taking out of need to fill first.
I see.
Yeah. So it's taking its time. Where are you at? Here you go.
I'm right in front of the crafting table. I'm just making more slabs.
Here's your quest book.
Grazie.
I mean, there's infinite diamonds, so it's not too big a deal. You died. I'm here to light the way. Light up your
Thanks.
life like I light up Foxworth. That's crazy. Yeah, looking over the edge and stuff. Things are looking pretty good, I think. If you fall through the map somehow again, you're doing 10 squats. That's a mandatory law. Oh my lord. I mean, Aeon's also died. Like, lucky here. Let me show you something.
I don't know if I'm just stupid or if this doesn't work the way that I thought it did.
Oh, what are you trying to do?
Nothing. I got it. I figured it out.
No worries.
Alrighty then. Okay, cool. So about them their unlimited diamonds.
They're all in whatever this chest is.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna try this again.
By the way, if you want to just grab one, you can actually hover over the item in the chest and just scroll up.
What the fuck?
You can
Is that a
scroll
mod?
down to take things from your inventory into the chest, and the other way around. So if you scroll up,
That's a mod, right? That's
Yep.
not in regular Minecraft.
That's Mouse Tweaks, which is a client-side mod. You can actually just add that to your vanilla, and it'll work on.
That's cool.
And then the difference between each of these crafting tables, by the way, this one that you're looking at right now saves crafting recipes, and this one on the other side is just the single use.
Mm. So
Which
this
means that
one's
this
good
one
if you're
I can-
making
If you're
multiple
making things together as well.
Okay.
Mhm.
Cool.
Hell yeah.
I have a goal. I want a bounce pad before I leave.
Yeah, no worries. You got this. Oh, by the way, Lucky, yeah, what I was going to show you real quick. If you come over here
Okay.
and just crouch over the edge, you may be able to see Aeon's death point.
Is it that X down there?
If there's a gravestone down there, yes. The X is probably your death point.
Oh.
There will be a grave on that X, by the way, which has all of your stuff. But it's at
Oh.
the bottom of the world, which means it's going to be hard to get without dying in the void.
Is there a zoom?
No. Probably with an item, maybe, but not
That's
vanilla.
devastating.
Otherwise, yeah, or like not whatever.
I think I see it.
A little hard to see, but yeah, it's there.
Yeah, I just lied to you. I don't see it at all.
Never mind. Spill a pair of stairs that go all the way down to get your products. Well, you could do that, Twilliam, but if you do that, you'll
It's
risk having it go
genius.
into the void because the gravestone is at Y level 0. You can't place anything below it.
Genius.
I'm looking at how many enemies are spawning on that island. Oh gosh. Is that a wither skeleton on there?
What could possibly go wrong? Oh my god!
Oh, creepers are spawning. Oh, it's a blood moon.
That can't possibly have just happened to me. I'm Volpe, I literally said, what could possibly go wrong? And then a creeper spawned out of nowhere and blew me off the fucking map.
To be fair, Lucky, it did say the blood moon is rising, so.
Oh
Oh
my god.
my god, where there's a creeper jockey. What the fuck? So Lucky, there's a lot of enemies over there now.
Listen, I am currently beside myself. I need a minute. I can't believe the timing on that, and I'm pissed that that I I need a minute.
Take the time you need.
Oh my fucking god. Just the timing on that was just, oh my god.
There's so many monsters over there, my god.
Yeah.
I'm terrified.
It's
Ooh,
okay.
I should check. Wait, what type of seed did we get? Ooh, Lucky, come take a
The
look
one
at
where
this.
creepers spawn right next to me, I guess.
Yo, check this out. Look at the seed. Ooh, look at that.
Yo, wheat seed.
Big boy
Let's
seed.
go.
Check its stats though.
How do I do that?
Hover it.
Oh. Growth 6, gain 5, strength 3.
This started from a humble 111.
Mmm,
it can go up to 10,
look
10,
at
10.
you.
It's a cute little seed. Right, this is the bad one. I'm about to eliminate this one seed and all of its family. 1 second. Where's the pit?
Damn.
All right,
That's
I'm digging a
wild.
hole under this water so I can drop the seed in. Goodbye.
Wait. Oh, we could just use water to get down there.
Yeah, but the grave itself is at the lowest possible level. You'd have to hope the items spray towards you and not fall into the void. There's no magnet or anything that's gonna get that to you.
They're not a vacuum cleaner in this giant fucking.
Let me take a
mod
look. Looks like there's a vacuum pump. There's a vacuum hopper. Ooh, a vacuum hopper might work. Oh, we don't have Ice of Ender though.
What's in here?
Vacuum chest.
And is it
what's in
dangerous?
crystal? What's in where?
I don't know. This thing up here.
Oh yeah, this. If you okay, you cannot fall into it now because it's a bit dangerous. But if you come down over here, I can show you what's inside.
So if I fall into it, do I die?
Yes, but it's a slow and painful death.
Oh, well, that sounds awful. Never mind.
Yeah. If you take a look inside this controller, when this was 1 block tall, you'll see how there's blood at the top.
Oh.
Yeah. You can fund the
Ew.
blood yourself by falling into it. But this is how we double our ores right now. It's a very slow method, but it works.
I mean, hey, if it works, every once in a while you got to make an offering to the blood god.
Exactly. Very reasonable.
Mhm.
I'm terrified by how many monsters are over there.
I'm terrified by the fact that a creeper spawned directly next to me and blew me off the map literally the instant I said what could possibly go wrong. I just hope somebody clipped that because,
there's probably not enough people awake to clip that.
you'd be surprised.
I would be surprised. I'm one with the surprise. All right. Daytime's coming, so hopefully we can clear off that. Donate your blood to the machine? Oh my god.
Machine. So how come it's getting all wonky?
What do you mean?
Oh my god. There are so many enemies over there.
Yep. I have. How much damage does this do? 4. That does 6. All right, cool. I'm attacking them with my hoe.
Wait. Okay. I knew you could do it. Why is it getting all weird? Well, I tried, Volpe.
Oh, we are good now.
Sweet.
Go.
Oh, fuck. I am so sorry.
Oh my god,
I'm gonna
so
go get
many.
a pickaxe. Wait, I thought that they wouldn't be able to spawn on slabs. Or are we
We're
not?
on top slabs, not bottom slabs.
Oh, that is unfortunate.
But it's much worse to craft things on bottom slabs.
True. Good point.
So, by the way, making a normal pickaxe will fail. It will only have 2 charges no matter what level of pickaxe you make.
Uh-oh. I
What you're
took
gonna
the diamond stack out of the out of the thingy, and it immediately filled up with something else.
no worries. Just stick it in that slot and toss the stuff that filled up.
Okay. Oh, wait. No, that's probably this one. This seems less important. Oh, there's definitely more
Lucky,
of this
if
one.
you die again, Justin Bieber's putting you in timeout, according to William.
No, I don't want to go in timeout. Smells weird over there.
Smells weird. Excuse me, but I don't think anyone else has been in timeout except you.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say you stink.
What?
Yeah.
Well, I'd never.
Can you repair me, Volpe? Yeah, I'm gonna use you until you're broken, okay, Foxworth? Then I'll repair you. Is that reasonable for you?
So wait. How the fuck do I make a pickaxe then?
Yeah, no worries. So remember the crafting table that saves you your stuff?
Yes.
Head directly to the left of it. You'll see a little metal version of it.
The one that's underneath this random black
Yes,
box?
exactly.
Okay.
So in there, on the left side, you'll see different types of tools you can make. If you try clicking on one of those, it'll change the right side to show you what you can craft or what it takes to craft it. Do you see that?
Oh god.
So what you're going to need is you're going to need a use and abuse me and then cuddle me and call me a good boy slut. Yeah. Foxworth? Okay. So the pickaxe head is the only one that's actually going to be a bit difficult to work with. However, the binding and the sorry, I'm pulling up pickaxe. The binding and tool rod can just be made out of wood. So how you make those is over here in the part builder. You just take things from the left menu, like a tool binding, and you stick wood in. You'll need a normal tool binding. There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mhm.
Oh, so it's
And then
that's
a
it?
stick just counts as a tool rod. So you can take both of those.
This is complicated.
You will not make a pickaxe head in here, though.
Sadness.
This is the extremely basic version of things. Then over here, if you come into this pattern chest, if you want to make something out of metal, you'll need to make a cast of it.
Oh.
So you can take the pickaxe head cast out of there and place it into this casting table. Now we want to choose a resource that you want to make your pickaxe head out of. So in this chest over here at the bottom, I have a bunch of resources already. I'd say osmium's the best option for you right here. So here, you can take an osmium ingot.
Just one?
Yep. Not a block, yeah. You can take an ingot.
Oh.
Bottom right.
Oh.
There you go. And if you put into the smeltery, you'll see, you'll see in the top left when it gets in there. There's that little bar next to it.
Okay.
When that fills up, it melts down. You can select the fluid and then you can pour it in. So we can't pour it yet until it's melted. Fluid? We're just waiting for it to melt.
Oh, okay. So I have to wait for it to melt.
Yep. And the benefit, if you take a look at Foxworth right here and pass it back later in a second.
Foxworth?
Right here. If you go into the tool forge,
This thingy?
Yep, the melon. And you put the pickaxe inside the pickaxe slot, or like the tool slot, and put the repair ingredient in the left slots.
Oh, so it oh, I haven't.
You
The
have an
osmium ingot?
Yep. It repairs it.
Oh, okay. There you go.
So that's the benefit to using a tinker's tool, is that you can repair it, which is why they made it so that all the other tools have 1 durability. Or 2 durability, sorry.
Hmm. And now how do I pour this?
So it's not melted just yet.
Oh,
Just keep watching here. It'll be done in a second. Trust.
okay. I'm trusting. I'm
And
trusting.
at the top,
Oh.
you see how it has molten osmium? 1 ingot.
Ah.
Click on that,
Ah.
and I'll put it at the bottom. Now you can head over to the tap over here and pour it into the cast.
Oh.
There you go.
So do I just click on it?
There you go.
Oh, okay. Now what?
And you can take that out.
Oh,
And
okay, cool.
the casts themselves will tell you how much the material cost. That's how many ingots you need worth in order to make it. So make sure to click on the pickaxe on the left side. There you go. And you can name it at the
This
top.
is- Oh. Oh, it didn't work. There you go.
There you go. What'd you call yours?
Butts.
Of course.
With a
Oh,
little smiley
I got
face.
some
with,
loot bags
you
from
know.
the enemies. You want some?
Oh, cool.
Here's.
Ooh.
Ooh.
It gave me a stop sign.
I got this. A sighted gold chestplate of help. It has night
Damn.
vision.
Damn. Oh, wait. Let's see. Got engineer's blueprint, arc furnace electrodes, an iron pickaxe, stop worm thingy, redstone alloy, and string.
It also gave me this thing.
What's that?
That is a single-use Pokeball. Will not work on me.
Damn it. You didn't even let me try.
You can toss it at
Wait,
an
here,
at
take
a
this stuff because
enemy?
you're
Oh.
probably gonna live longer than me.
Oh yeah, no worries.
I don't know. How do I forget how to throw stuff.
You.
Q? Okay.
Thank you. These are the stop signs. Stop
Yeah,
worm.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
What? Did I get something good?
Yeah, it's actually a virus.
Oh. Is that
Yeah.
wait. Is that bad?
It's good if you're trying to hack into a security system.
Oh, okay, cool.
Hello, I a geek. Thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today. Saying wholesome with an ass. So Risk, thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today?
Why is there a magic construct everywhere tool and not a magic break everywhere tool?
Technically, there's a lot of options for breaking all this stuff. In fact, there's another Tinker's Construct tool other than a pickaxe that we could use to cut 3x3s out of this.
Why isn't there just one to break the whole thing? Or break like big ass sections of
I'm
it?
not going to tell you about the keybind for Vein Miner because that will also destroy the bottom platform.
Even though these aren't attached?
They are attached.
What? That doesn't make any sense. They're floating.
It's going to look for top slabs next to it.
Well, that's cringe. Boy, oh boy. Mining away.
I just can't lose Foxworth. That's the important thing for me.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're good.
Why is it just like literally one click with that thing and it's just the entire fucking.
This is
Ugh.
the diamond version.
Well, thank God for that.
If we were using a shoddy iron or like wooden version, it would definitely break sooner.
Wait.
Duh, it's Foxworth. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Well, at least the thing I broke is fairly easy to fix.
Exactly. But yeah, Lucky, something about these Singer's
Yeah.
Construct tools as well is that if you mine enough with them, you can level them up, which gives you
Oh, fancy.
modifiers that you can add into on your own. So you can choose what you add to your pickaxe. So like if you add redstone or something, you'll be able to increase the mining speed of it. If you add lapis, it'll give it looting. And a few other cool things that you can add.
Mm.
Hmm. And sometimes when you level it up, it just gives it modifiers on its own.
You ever
So
played
mine
Terraria?
dependent. Yes, absolutely. What about Terraria?
I'm sorry, I ADHD. um, so I've been playing through Calamity recently,
I was watching.
and oh yeah, I remember seeing you there. But anyways, it's a lot of fun, and I've been like trying to find mods to make the experience better for me and the people that I've been playing with,
Yeah.
and came across a cool one that like adds a whole bunch of coolio stuff for like the summoner class and whatnot.
Oh,
Which I know that
nice.
like a lot of people hate on, but I really like the summoner class. It's just funny.
When I learned that there were different classes in Terraria, the summoner class is the one that actually made sense as an actual class.
Yeah.
Because a lot of them just felt like they were overlapping random shit for no reason, you know?
Yeah. So, and with the Calamity mod, it expands on them all quite a bit,
Mhm.
and then it adds its own custom class as well.
Oh, okay.
So,
What type of class is that?
oh, it adds Rogue, and I'm not sure if Ranger is part of regular Terraria.
I mean, technically, if you just have a bow, but
Hmm.
right?
I guess. You right.
Oh my god, I'm now accustomed to the weight of Foxworth. You spin it around with flourish?
Damn. My pickaxe is almost about to break already. My butts.
Your butts?
My butts.
Rest in peace, butts.
I
There you
have
go.
8 durability left on butts. I think he's got a crack in him.
Got 32 left on Foxworth. More than enough to work with. All right, Lucky,
Well,
you want to try
time
one
to
more
do it
time?
all over again.
Good luck.
Wait, why is it? What? Oh, because it was gonna. Ah, I see.
It's gonna break, yeah.
Cringe.
Here, take some more slabs over. It's behind you.
No, it's cool. It's cool. I got this.
But we're trying to get to the island. You don't need to make that square platform. Don't worry. It's the
Well, I
island.
just didn't want to ruin your thing that you had going here.
I'll fix it up later. I'll do it in post.
Ah. She's using fancy editing software.
Yeah. Getting so used to handling me. I know, right? Foxworth, it's so real. But Lucky, this time it's not a blood moon. So like
I don't want to say it again. I'm scared. I'm scared, Volpe. What if I say it again and another creeper spawns?
it was a blood moon, don't worry. It's not a blood moon this time. We're fine.
Okay, I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it.
Say it.
I'm just
Bitch.
looking around. Just give me a minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm scared. Ahem. What could possibly go wrong? No, wait, please don't hit me off the edge. I saw blood in her eyes, chat.
I'm not cruel. I'm just observing. I'm observing you in your natural environment.
I'm gonna let you observe from a safe distance.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah.
Don't do it. Volpe, no, please.
I'm just lighting up the space. Don't worry.
I've never
Yeah.
been more aware of the positioning of another player in my entire life.
Listen, if I was bloodthirsty for content, you'd be dead, okay?
Ah, yes. That's exactly what I wanted to hear. I need more slabs.
I'm watching you run, and I'm walking, and it feels like I'm keeping up with you barely.
I wouldn't be surprised. Didn't you have something that like adjusts your movement speed?
Not at all, no.
I thought that your new chest plate did.
Uh, it gives me 2.5 health and night vision.
Mm. That is, in fact, not movement speed.
Hmm. Hey, Lucky.
What's up?
You should get in this right here.
What?
Get in this.
What in? Where? The basic? Are you calling me basic?
Calling you basic. And
What
I
the
think you deserve to
fuck?
be in the bin.
What? Wow.
Respectfully, of course.
I don't think there's any way to say that respectfully, Volby.
I'm pretty respectful.
See. Oh, cool. I got the perfect amount. I probably don't need this many, but that's okay. I have this many. So,
Hmm.
how do I repair butts?
Oh.
Oh,
Don't worry, it automatically restarts.
gotcha. It's for the best.
Perhaps, yeah. Let me just make sure it is restarting, because I did a go-to statement. That should be fine. I just need to... Oh, yeah, it is automatically going in. Insane. I'm the master of making batch files on Windows, all right?
I need to make one to open all of my stream programs.
Do you want my Python program? I can just pass it.
I don't think that we use the same tools.
Doesn't matter. Mine's configured through a text file.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, here.
I mean, sure. I'll take a peek, see if I can figure it out. I don't do coding, so like I might need to bug you about it a little bit, but yeah, throw it
All
my
you need
way
is
and I'll see
Python
if I
installed on your
can.
computer.
Oh, I have Notepad++. Is that good enough?
I mean, you'll need Python, but yeah, don't worry.
Okay. All right. I didn't realize that Python, I thought it was just a language. I didn't realize that it was like an actual program.
Yeah, no worries. You probably have it installed already, potentially, but if not, it's not big. It's not too hard to install. But yeah, the vibe is I have two different configurations set in it.
Hmm.
As long as all three of those files are in the same directory, it'll work. All you have to do is open up the Python program and then type 1 or 2, depending on if you're doing VR or desktop, and just configure each file to your heart's content.
Oh.
I just named it Start Stream Script and Start Stream Script Coffee because I felt like that was good enough. Because it was my personal use, but they'll work perfectly otherwise.
Yeah, we do use different stuff.
Mm.
So wait, so is VT Plus what enables you to have people interact with your VR chat avatar?
Yep. Because I just use the OSC
Interesting.
protocols directly in that.
Okay.
Service backup,
cool.
by the way.
Sweet. Yeah, I'll definitely have to bug you about how to set this up properly.
Yeah, no worries. I can upload anytime.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, if you have time in a minute or so, like I can quickly end stream and, help you out as well.
I don't want to do it tonight because it's 5:30 a.m. and my brain is broken right now.
Mm-hmm. Actually, it's only almost midnight.
Yeah. How could I forget? You know what? You're so right.
I know I am.
Silly me.
Silly Lucky. Oh my.
Silly Doge. So wait. So do I just grab osmium to repair it?
Whatever's your tool head is. Yeah.
So, hey, there we
Hmm?
go. My butts is alive.
Ooh, growth 7, gain 6,
Fire.
strength 3? But what if I do? That's replacing you. You are going to hell. Goodbye.
I'm being replaced and going to hell.
I mean, not you. The stinky seed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't worry. You're fine. For now.
I fucking knew it. I fucking
Oh hell, thank you
knew
so much for
were
the follow.
gonna
Howdy,
say
I'm Pulpy, and we're having a chill time today. Staying wholesome with an S to risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Yeah. I have melon seeds now, huh?
I'll
Interesting.
be so sad when I fuck this up again and I have to mine everything again.
I think it'll be fine.
You know, I'm glad that you have faith in me.
You got it.
Ah, fuck. So pretty.
Yeah, you are.
Except those kind of look like GPU artifacts, though. I can't decide how I feel about those.
Wait,
I know that they're
what?
not because they move when I move, but they
What,
look
the
weird.
rainbow?
Is that what that is? No,
Yeah.
it's like I don't know if you're looking at the same thing. Oh, I guess there is a rainbow over there.
Yeah, there's a rainbow
No,
right
I'm
now.
talking about like all the white floaty things that kind of look like glass. Are we in a dome?
Wait, floaty things that look like glass?
Oh my god, Volpe.
Yeah?
I don't know how to tell you this,
Yeah?
but I think that the world is flat.
It's not- You know, Lucky, you know, think what you will, but the pit is always ready for you.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this round believer chat. Oh my god.
I'm not a round believer, but you're
Imagine.
not supposed to be talking about these types of things.
Imagine
Live on the internet? Excuse me?
believing in big round.
How many times have we gone through? 4? Nice. Not bad.
I'm just gonna make more than one of these fucking things. I'm so tired of coming back here.
Yeah, go for it.
There we go. I got 3 of them. I got
Okay, I'm curious.
all these crazy things
If
in
I
a
have
dream.
a lever, can I shut these off? Because I am tired of these running. I'd better be able to shut these off. Hold up here.
I mean, you could always just break the pipe. You could direct the pipe off this thing. Oh my god, Volpe, I've just solved your problem. Just literally build another pipe that just
It doesn't stop it.
just build a pipe that like shoots all of it off that way. Just have it all drop into the ether.
Got a better idea.
Oh, you know what? You could literally just put a hole underneath it. Put a hole, like put another
Actually,
hopper.
what you're gonna see is, in fact, these are all about to stop.
Oh, did you just break the power source?
I just cut the power. I know my strategy is a little bit insane. Some may call me a martyr, but some may call me a hero. I am
I'm just
all
gonna
three.
call you Volpe. I realized I grabbed all this cobblestone. Oh, also, I'm dying of hunger.
Oh yeah, no worries. There's apples in this chest here. There you go.
Thank you. I
Don't
appreciate
die
you.
of hunger.
No, you don't understand. There's slabs to be made.
Understand. I understand. There you go.
There we go.
Oh, let's see what kind of seed we're replacing this with. Let's go. 884? Oh my god.
That sounds pretty good.
It's pretty good. This one's going to hell.
So you just have unlimited resources at this point, right? I fucking fell off. I
somewhat.
hate everything. Wait, I got an idea.
Okay, I'm gonna come bring water.
I can't die if I'm wait. No, I'm already in the void, Volpe. It's over. It's over. Wait.
Wait.
I
I
know
got
what you
this.
gotta do.
I've got this. I'm in the console. TP.
Yep.
Wait. X Lucky Doge Volpe Fox Uwu. All right, let me know when you're in the game.
All right. Joining. Logging in. Man, now. Go. Oh, damn it. Son of a bitch.
It was a bit slow. What can you do? How did you fall again?
I don't want to talk about it. I just want to mourn the loss of my butts.
No, your butts has gone into the void. Unfortunate. I
Here
guess you're gonna have to
lies
create another
butts.
Butts 2.0.
I barely knew he.
How did that happen?
I fell. I don't know. I'm clumsy. I'm tired, okay?
Right. Well,
That's how.
I guess you can just take slabs over.
Just wanted to make a bounce pad. I really want it to stop showing me my death points.
You can
Oh
just
wait, I know
delete
how to
them.
fix that.
Press J.
Wow, I really am
Hi,
not
Samuel.
in
Howdy,
Kansas
how are you
anymore.
doing
What
today?
the
Welcome.
fuck is this?
What, Jay?
Yeah. Hold on.
It's your mini map. Well, like
How do
full
I-
map.
Waypoints.
Alright,
Haha.
how about I fix the bridge? I'm pretty efficient.
Yeah, I would never survive a skyblock.
Skyblock.
I would never
hardcore.
survive a hardcore. I don't know. I'm just danger prone.
Oh,
You know what you should do?
road?
You should just pump all of the random bullshit into the Aether. Like you should legitimately just have a dropper that just drops shit into the Aether portal.
Oh,
And
so
have
you
it
can provide
teleport.
the Aether creatures silly
Yeah.
little shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they've just the Aether, they've had it too good for too long, We gotta take them down a peg. Look at him. Being all heavenly and shit.
All right, there you go, Lucky.
What? It. Hey. I'm on my way. I'm
I'll
on
make
my
it a
way.
bit wider just so you don't fall.
Okay.
There you go.
Fuck you.
Here, whoops, the other side. Oh.
Oh, for fuck's I'm gonna, you know what? Fuck you. Wait, there's water. I can save myself. No. I tried so hard. I didn't have anything, so it doesn't matter. It would have been funny if you managed to somehow put platforms underneath me while I was falling.
Cold morning. How about you? It's been pretty cold, honestly. Not too bad though.
Okay. It's so pretty. Oh dear.
So what you're gonna want is one of the logs from the tree for your bounce
Oh,
pad.
it's liquefied. Oh, oh my God, Volpe, you got to come down here,
All right.
Volpe. It's very important.
Yeah.
It's bouncy.
Mm-hmm. Woo. Boom. Boing. Boing.
It like absorbs momentum too, though. That's weird. I'm so tired.
Go boing.
Hmm.
Go boing.
It do in fact go boing. Yay! Wait. Oh, I got an idea. Oh my goodness. This is like a trap too, because like if you there we go. Wait. Am I sunk into it? Oh my God, it's like an atomic trampoline. I get it. Oh, that's sick. No, wait, actually, no, it's nothing like an atomic trampoline. I'm just really freaking tired.
No
Okay,
worries.
alright.
I got what we need though.
Wait, what's all that stuff that's like underneath
Hmm?
your thingamajiggy thing you got going on over there?
Underneath what?
Underneath the
Oh, I can see all the graves.
Oh yeah, you can. Oh
All
my
the stuff that's
God.
going on underneath. So that leftmost part is the starting platform.
Come on, man.
Did you just die to a
Why
slime?
me?
No worries. But yeah, the big mass is the starting platform. There's actually a bunch of dirt down there. They gave us a 3x3x4 dirt with a root in there. And then there's more water and stuff. Don't worry, I got what we needed.
I fell down.
No worries, Lucky. You're good.
There
you go. Combine that with redstone.
Okay, I can do that. I think.
The redstone goes on the right of it. I'm just gonna go light this up real quick. Oh, I have a moment.
Slime channel. And then what goes in the slime channel? I remember there was something.
Oh, you need a slime ball, I think.
Oh. I'm gonna leave this over here where it's safe. Because I am very danger prone, evidently.
I'm taking a little bit of dangerous stuff right now as well. All right, here's
I
slime.
mean, on the bright side, if I just die randomly to stupid stuff, then I don't have to eat anything ever.
True. Got your slime? Nice.
No, I put it in the chest over there because I didn't want to die with it on me.
Jailer Safari Net. Oh, I got a Safari Net. Let's go. Beauty Spotter. I know.
Nice.
Honestly, Foxworth is adorable.
Yes.
All right, let's take a
Volpe.
look see at it.
Where do you want it?
Anywhere you want. It's your bounce pad.
Directly on spawn. Oh my God.
Nice.
Thank you,
useful.
Volpe.
Wait, I'm curious. Why is that spot there, not like anywhere else? Wait, hold up.
I don't know.
Oh, I see. It's
Oh,
the direction you're facing when you place it.
oh, that's sick. So it works like Octane's I'm sorry,
Real
Octane.
faith and stuff. Octane bounce pad. Oh wait,
Yeah.
not necessarily, because Octane, like, you can just jump on the mouse pad from any direction, right? This is if you place it, it faces that direction.
Mm. It's been a long time since I played Apex.
I played yesterday, so don't worry.
Ow. Wow, it will in fact launch
I
you
was so
high
cold
enough
here.
to
The
hurt.
wind hit me and gave me boost bumps. No. It's pretty cold here. I almost got a frostbite the other day, actually.
Wait, really?
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Good lord, Volpe,
It was an accident, okay?
be careful.
I'll
You
try.
live in Canada. You know these things. Be careful.
Just challenging, you know? But yeah. A lot of the stuff to do
Oh
with early game of this mod pack
my
is
god.
here.
I have. Oh wait, no. That would be
Alright,
bad.
Lucky, let's take a look. Ooh, look at this seed.
Damn. That
Alright,
looks good.
This guy's a bro. Okay.
Draw.
Alright, this guy is being deleted. That's the first seed that's given me 3 crops per, but he still doesn't deserve to live. He's going to hell. Seed hell. Oh my god, I accidentally... Fucking hell. What's a frostbite? It's when the frost nips at you and you get very, very cold and you feel very bad afterwards.
Yay.
I feel like you can make a trap with those.
Yeah, I was actually okay. So I was just a moment ago. I was just gonna like put it so that it was facing like outside of the map,
Some
and I was gonna
is
be like, "Hey, Volpe, come jump on this," and then I was just like, "No, wait, that would be a bad idea because
I'd lose
then they'll
Foxworth.
you have yeah, you'd lose Foxworth
I can't lose
and all of your
Foxworth.
other stuff that's probably important."
Like Foxworth, yeah, that's true.
Alrighty.
Well, here it would be heat stroke you need to be taken care of. Yeah, but you know, it's colds and warms and stuff, you know.
Hey, you never know. Texas had snow this year, so a lot of it.
True.
I'm pretty sure that Texas got more snow than I did. I live in Michigan.
Pretty sure I got more snow than you.
Probably. I don't know. But, you know,
I've had
it's less
2
impressive because it's
snowstorms
Canada.
this past 2 weeks. And we have a snowstorm today.
This looks like a pressure plate. Every time I step on this, I expect it to activate something, and it doesn't.
It's the oven overhead.
It sure is. Well, shit.
So if I'm using the oven, you know, it pulls up the fumes so I don't have to worry about them.
Is this an actual oven? Oh my god, it is.
Yeah, we also have a kitchen sink.
What the
Which if you felt like it, you could fill your bucket at it.
Where does it get water?
It's a good question, isn't it? You know, Lucky, I
have
guess
many.
we'll never know.
Oh.
Here, take a bucket from the sink.
No. It's cool. It's cool.
Take a bucket
Okay.
from the sink. Do it.
Well, maybe just one.
And then we also have a washing machine. And we have a dishwasher.
Huh. Did it?
Take a look at this dishwasher.
But like, why though? Wait, where are the? Wait, can I wash my bucket? Hold on. I want to wash my bucket.
I actually don't know how this dishwasher works. Wait, I've got an idea. I've got an idea. Okay, wait, hold up. Wait. What happens if I do this? Can you pass me a stick?
Sure. Yes, I can. Hup.
I know it would be faster for me to get my own stick, but like, you know.
No. It's cool.
Great. So I break this with
I
this,
appreciate you.
and I put my stone pickaxe in the washing machine. I hit start.
Wait, how come you could make a stone pickaxe?
You can. Look, it has 0 of 1 durability.
So if you make a diamond pickaxe, can you just repair it with diamonds?
Well, for diamond pickaxes, you can't smelt them down. You can't smelt the diamond down to a head. if you make a normal diamond pickaxe, it'll have 1 durability.
Mm, 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 mm.
I don't know how this washing machine works.
I think you need soap. Oh, nope, wait, there it goes. Oh no, you took the bucket. Never mind.
Soap? Wait, okay, Mr. Cray. Wait, what's the mod? Mr. Crayfish, okay. Wait, how does that work? They have a cooling pad. There's a bath in this mod? Sorry. Soapy water, of course, soap. Oh, we need soap. Disappointing. Well, Lucky, thank you very much for coming by, and thank you for making your bounce pad.
Yeah, thanks for helping.
Of course, always. Ooh, do you want to
And
check
it's
out the
over
new seed?
here. Oh. Oh, this is the same one.
No, that's better.
No, the last one was 894.
Was it?
Yeah.
No, the last one was 884. Oh, it was 894. Gross. Fuck off. You're going to hell. Goodbye. Here, can you watch this Imky away? We can watch Lucky. Honestly, they do need it. Your call from earlier, right?
Ba, ba,
I'm out.
ba,
The
ba,
stink.
ba, 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 da, ba, ba. Oh, wait, no, I forgot I needed oxygen. Okay, we're good. Everything's fine.
Just go to hell to save the seed.
No. I just came down here because I wanted to.
Okay. I'm watching you.
Not very closely because you didn't see it happen.
Oh, take a look over here. The cobblestone's
What's up?
fulfilled.
Nice. Okay, cool. Now we know.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I'm pretty sure you knew regardless, but now I know.
Oh, now you know.
Okay. I'm gonna jump off. I am
Thank you, Lucky.
very tired.
And if you need
very
help with
sleepy.
setting up the thing, let me know anytime.
Yeah, I'll probably bug you about it tomorrow.
Fuck yeah.
Because I've been wanting to do that forever. Because it's a pain in the butt to get everything going. No.
Yeah, I understand.
What
That's why I
would
had
be-
to make it.
What would be really cool is if there was a way for it to open up a web page too.
I can do that.
Oh, cool. Even better. Because I just use YouTube for like my intro music and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't know, I'm lazy. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Good night, Volpe.
Good night, Lucky. Stay safe and enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me on. I hope that it
Sure.
wasn't too chaotic.
No, you're fine. There were a few failures here, of course, but completely reasonable.
Failures? No, everything went exactly according to plan. What do you
According to
mean?
plan. Yeah,
Yeah.
the loss of 7 diamonds and your butt, very
Oh
disappointing.
no, I forgot I had the diamonds in my inventory. I'm so sorry. Oh, okay. Well, it's all right. You
The
got
Fox person
infinite
saying good
diamonds.
night,
They're
or goodbye
coming
to you,
through.
or good night, or whatever.
Yeah. Good night. Good night, Foxworth. And good night, everybody. All right. Bye-bye, Volpe.
Ciao, Lucky. Stay safe and enjoy yourself, alright? I'll see you around soon.
I will. I am going to like die in my bed.
I'm excited
I'll
for
see you
your
later.
death, alright? I'm rooting for your death.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, no
Right.
worries, Lucky. I got you.
Okie dokie.
Stay safe and Lucky. Ciao.
Bye-bye.
There we go. Goon the Knight. Oh my god, the Foxworth Goon Knight is crazy. You guys and your gooning. Silly little beans. Foxworth, you're a silly little bean, you know that? Oh, seed. Alright, let's see what we got. 9, 10, 6, that's good. A 9, 10, 6 makes me happy. These are being removed. That's being removed. I'm just a little guy. Yeah, just a little guy, aren't you? Just a silly little guy. All right, let's take a look at this seed. I'm going to stare at this seed until it grows, okay? This is the content that I would like to promote, okay? We just need these 2 seeds to grow. Perfect. Then we need this one to grow. Come on. Come on, bro. You can do it. You can do it. I mean, technically it doesn't matter which one of these 2 grows, so I can just improve rates and tear down the other one. Which one do I want? Which one do we get? Which one do we get? One or the other. That's a really, really nice emote, actually, Foxworth. Foxworth, whose emote's that? Wait. That's brands. Okay, that's fair. That's understandable. Oh, wow, that's crazy. There we go. We'll put these materials in here. So the vibe right now is I just need sequel to paint drying grass growing stream. Yeah, you know, I very much love my grass growing. All right. Now I can tear this bad boy down. And get a crossbreed there. That's an 894, that's an 895, so we want to get rid of this bad boy. Put the good seed here. And this one goes to hell. We grow this up, we grow this up. We crossbreed. There we go. Gator lilies don't have thorns yet, apparently. So the vibe of having this many good crops, by the way, means that I'm able to get a lot more dirt a lot faster, which should make things a little bit easier to get some passive mobs. Because I want to get cows, I want to get pigs, I want to get chickens and sheep soon, okay? So the sooner I get those, the better. Ooh, we got a new seed. Let's see who this one surpasses. 10-10-6? Oh boy. You are gone. 10-10-6? You're going to hell. There we go. Brightness range, okay, reasonable. If you ever wish to copy in a journal, create cross crops. What's this mod again? Agricraft? Wait. What is Agricraft strength? Oh, so weeds are disabled. So I actually just have a perfect crop here. Okay. These are 9-10-6s. We don't need those. And this one is a 9, 10, 7. We don't need that. There we go. Optimal seeds. Perfect. Excellent. The seeds are perfect. They are actually perfect seeds. They grow fast, and they create a triple yield. That is exactly what we need. So this means that I now have infinite seed. Perfect. Awesome. Well, I think that's a good place to end then. That should be good. Awesome. There we go. Just need to like figure out which one's gonna grow first here and just quickly pick it up. As soon as like one of these grows, or both of them, everything is just wins. I am pretty happy about casualties occurring during the Blood Moon, because I wasn't expecting that to actually happen. Like, I'm surprised that the Blood Moon is so dangerous in this. All right. Well, now I do have a mob spawning platform now for what's it called, animals and stuff. Seed analyzer is big though. Holy shit. I can literally just harvest these and get like 3 per. 3 to 4 actually. That is really nice. That is really nice. And it just takes 13 of these crops to make a dirt. So that means I'm basically guaranteed dirt for a lot of these actually. They just grow so fast. 28% on this one already. Like, this one literally is going to grow if I stare at it. 42% grown. Like, what is this? That's crazy. Come on, dude. You got this. You got this. You got this, bro. You're at 42%. You can become, was it 58% next? Come on, dude. You can do this. You can grow. Performance anxiety. My gosh. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, bro. Bro, you can do it. $57%. It's not 58. Night night, I EP. Good night, Snowy. Oh my god, Snowy, you were around. Hi, Snowy. How are you? Thanks for the wonderful stream. Thank you for coming by, Snowy. I hope you have a good night. I've been like pretty out of it for a while, Lucky, so I'm sorry for like not reaching out for a while. Dearest apologies, but I hope you've been doing well. Hang tight and rest well, alright? Stay safe, Lucky. Or Snowy. Fucking out. Yeah, shut up. Boom. Mortally. You're fine. Just been relaxing, making a very late dinner for your stream. Oh my god, yes. Well, I hope your dinner's gone well. I'm gonna be heading off to make dinner because it is 12:30 a.m. So, never more to leave here. Appreciate it a ton. I appreciate you a ton, honestly, Snowy. You hang tight, all right? Rest well and enjoy your dinner as well. Hang in there. I'm about to be ending off as well. I'm just finishing off harvesting this and checking how fast this takes to grow. It's not too bad. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to grow. I'm like not there for it. Go. I'll just disappear. Fucking Borf, excuse me? Maddie, what is wrong with you? Are you okay? Maddie, are you feeling sick right now? Oh my god. Maddie, welcome, welcome. I hope you're having a good day today. 85%. Litter is growing before our eyes. Alright, I'm gonna finish off with this. Come on. And see it all alone. Never more to leave here, never more to leave here. You should never be here. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know my love can be. I never feel sick because I win. Nah, I'd win, honestly. I'd win. Never more to leave here, never more to leave here. It's the killing kind. Should have known it was me. Oh, by the way, Foxworth, do you want me to send you the thing as well? For opening apps and things? Boom. Get in. Never more to leave here, never more to leave here. Da, 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 da. Shit, yeah. I've been looking this whole time, realized I haven't said shit for 3+ hours. Yeah, Maddie, that's crazy. No worries, Foxworth, I got you. I'll send you in just a second when I finish off stream. I want to get this dirt so I can extend the farm so I can sign off knowing that that farm is going to be good and able to self-sustain itself by making more and more dirt. I just want to end. Bro, I just want to end. I just want to end. Come on. Come on. There we are. Okay. Of my heart. Dirt farm? We got dirt. Dirt farming, honestly, Maddie. You know, Maddie, if you actually had time in your personal day today, you know, I would really appreciate it if you joined me in farming dirt as a registered dirt farmer. You know, I need strong dirt farmers. W's for real. But yeah, I think this is a good ending point here. Nothing happened. Literally did nothing, but I had a good time. So I think that's worth. Oh, the memory. Gotta find my Minecraft account and vote. Yeah, for real. On God. I'd be excited to see it. You know, it's been years, it seems. Hey, it happens. It happens. Well, this is a good point to end. Crops are all extremely pompously growing. That was, oh my god. These crops are broken. Like, what the hell is this? Sorry, I'm distracted. I need to end stream, but like, think about it. Oh my god, I could just like plant so many more crops. But my crop sticks. Shut up, okay? I'm just think about how much dirt I can make. Like, look at this. There's so much dirt. Literal. Okay, I'm ending. I'm ending. I'm done. I'm done. I need to. Okay, that's crazy. Wow. Whoa, yeah. Baby, don't you hear me now? If madness overtakes us both, then nobody would be alone. Let me see who's on. Here. Stay with me. Oh, stay. I guess we can like we could definitely raid into. Oh god, it's 5 a.m. What the back to work I go? Yeah, no worries, Maddie. Stay safe. I mean, it is only 12:30 in my time zone, which means that it is only 11:30 in your time zone, Maddie. So like, I don't know. You stay safe, all right, though. Enjoy yourself. Favorite. Just touch Eleanor. Another day. I'm just seeing so many people asleep right now. Like I'm scrolling through people and there's people who are in other categories who are also asleep. I'm feeling I feel like raiding tofu today, I think. I might do that. I don't know. I'm just feeling that right now. I'm feeling it, you know? Um yeah, I'm gonna raid tofu. There we go. But guys, thank y'all for staying by. I'm gonna have to mess with Suribot. They should not be saying have a good day. Shut up, Suribot. Excuse me, you don't have permission to speak in this chat, okay? You only have permission to ban people. But yeah, for everyone, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Be sure to stay safe. I don't know. Be yourselves and stay kind. I've had a really, really nice time hanging out with you guys tonight. I mean, to be fair, we did start at 9 p.m. and we're ending at 12:30, obviously, so it's been a good time. For now, though, say bye for the raid for some extra tales, and enjoy your time with Tofu. I really appreciate y'all coming by, and if anyone here is still here and awake, I'll send y'all a raid message in a second. Thank you guys so much for coming by, and I hope you guys have an awesome night. Ciao, ciao, y'all. Enjoy yourselves. I'll see y'all soon. Thanks for coming, Fox.